Hello, my people. Greetings, everyone. Umuchukwu kabia mekene m ụnụ. Ekene m nwoke n'ebe a, kene nwaanyị n'ebe a, kene onye ukwu n'ebe a, kene onye nta n'ebe a. Kene Umuchukwu kabia ma niile. Ana m anabata ụnụ na ọnọkọ anyị nke pụrụ iche today. Ana m asị ya makwara ụnụ niile na mma ụmụnne m. Na-egbughị oge ọbụla. Maka na anyị egbugo oge a little bit. So anyị ga-ebido with ekpere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ekene m unu niile. Onye na-abata, ọ na-like this program. As you join, please make sure you like, share this program. And if today is your first time joining us in this hallowed platform, make sure you subscribe and turn your notification bell. Very, very important. So as you can see, I'm here today. So you know, but on like on our share, please do not forget to turn your notification bell. Very, very important. So let us start without any further ado. We move.
I lead the largest mass movement on the face of this planet Earth. Determined men and women, prepared to give up everything in pursuit of what is right before God and before man. Let us call upon heaven to take its rightful position this very evening. I am going to pray a prayer of David, because we are nothing without Elohim Adonai El Shaddai that gave us this very mission. The hardest mission in the world is to set Biafra free. The hardest task on this earth, because most of them are born ingrates. We must honor in heaven. Do you think we apologize to anybody? Without apologies to any idiot. This is a year of insanity and a year of madness. We must pray, because the whole world is listening, and I especially asked Nigerian youths to tune in this very evening or morning, afternoon, depending on where you are. I'm going to pray in English language. We shall praise thee. I will still pray in English. Elohim Adonai El Shaddai, we shall praise thee forever. It doesn't matter what we are going through. In good and in bad, we shall offer ceaseless adoration of your magnificence and your holiness. You are Lord and you are God, you are not man. You are beyond what man can conceive of thee. That is why unashamedly this very evening we proclaim your greatness before the assembly of the upright and in the congregation of the living. Because your work upon our life is great. Your handiwork is honorable and glorious. It doesn't matter what we are going through, because you are God. We cannot question thee. And your righteousness endureth forever. Look at the things that you have made, the heavens and the earth, the moon, the stars, the ocean, the rivers, the streams, the mountains, all belong to thee. You are full of grace and compassion. And unto thee do we anchor every of our hope, every of our belief that Biafra shall be set free, and that you will also impart knowledge into young people within Nigeria to receive common sense, to absorb this very message this evening, because it is comprehensive and incisive. You have shown us your mercy in the past. You will show us your mercy again. We are not asking for what doesn't belong to us. We are doing precisely that which you mandated us to do. that Biafra may come, that Oduduwa may come, and that every other shackled and enslaved ethnicity in the damnable zoological republic will be set free. That in the end, all of us, Biafrans, Oduduwa, Middle Belt, everybody will come together to give honor and praise unto your holy name for setting us free. Because this very contraption that Britain constructed was designed to kill, to emasculate, and to render asunder. Only with your help and your grace shall your children be set free. That in the end your name will be glorified, adored, honored, and praised now and forevermore, we pray. He said, he said, he said,
he said, he said, he said. So, ka anyị kpọọ na egwu a wee bido ụmụnne m.
Secret or speak, but everything they say makes no sense at all. I'm at the show. Oh, I'm at the show. Show me the law. Under which law are you trying me? Show me the section. Show me the class. Which law is this? You call it terrorism. You call it treason, but where is it written? Bring the book. I'm on the show. Show me the law. 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 From Kenya without any legal process, no extradition, just force and violence. You brought many charges, then quietly dropped some. Like magic, like a game, the way things are done here. I'm at the show. I'm at the show. Show me the law. Under which law are you holding me? Open the book, point to the page. Which law is this? If there is no law, open the gate and let me go. I'm at the show. Show me the law. My Lord, with all due respect, bring the law so I can see it. Which section? Which article? Which subsection? Even if it is an old law from me till 60, bring it forward. If you cannot find the law, set me free today. I'm at the show. Oh, I'm at the show. Show me the law. The whole world is watching you. Show me the law. I'm at the show. 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 Show me the law. Justice will come. Truth will prevail. Freedom is near. I'm at the show. Show me the law. I'm at the show. Show me the law. I'm at the show. Show me the law. I'm at the show. Show me the law.
Wow, 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 wow. We are in the celebrative mood, Umunnem. Rejoice, rejoice, Biafrans. We are going home. Biafra is here. We are going
They
home.
drag me in chains to the
Whether
stand
you
of
like it or
shame.
not,
Black
we are
robed
going
men
home.
with borrowed power calling my name. DSS uniforms, faces like stone. Judge on the bench, but justice long gone. On Matasho sits high, reading charges like prayer, but the paper feels light. There's nothing written there, so I rise from the dock, voice steady and slow. One question I have before you deliver the blow. Show me the law. Show me the law you're trying me with. Where is the section, the clause, the line that makes speaking my mind a terrible crime? You say terrorism, you say treason too, but show me the law that belongs to you. If the law is silent, then your chains must fall. Show me the law or you have no law at all.
And what I just show us the law. 3 months in the government now. Show us the law.
You quote section 41, freedom to move, then lock me for years just to prove what you prove. You wave the terrorism act like a magic wand, but my radio words never carried a bomb. I spoke of my fathers buried in rivers of blood. I spoke of a people drowned in the flood. If truth is the weapon you fear in my hand, then your empire of lies is built upon sand. Show me the law. Show me the law you're trying me with. Is it written in London or typed in Abuja? Does it come from the people or just from you? You hide behind wigs and you hide behind might, but a law that needs guns was never a right. Open the book, let the whole world see. Show me the law that is judging me. I've read your constitution from cover to cover. Article 20 says self-determination is no crime, brother. I have read the African charter you signed with a smile, yet you rend it to pieces when it walks in my style. So read it aloud, your lordship, read it clear. Let the gallery hear what they brought me here for. The gallery is silent, the cameras all banned, but the ancestors are watching from the back of the stand. Python danced in my village, bullets rained from the sky. You called it an operation, I called it genocide. Now you charge me for shouting what the whole world saw. Tell me I'm a toe show, where is your law? Show me the law. Show me the law. Show me the law you're trying me with. If the law is just, let it stand in the sun. The law is shame. Let it run from this dock today. Let the whole world hear. A man is not guilty for refusing to fear. No retreat, no surrender. My spirit stands tall. Show me the law, or you have no law at all. Udo God Chi, the peace shall still reign, but not the peace of the slave, not the peace of the chain. One day these walls will crumble and fall, and the only words left will be, where was the law? Show me the law!
Wow! Wow. I think I want to show us the law. You don't have law. Wow. So ụmụchukwu okabịa m ekenekwa m ụnụ ọzọ na-anabata ụnụ n'ọnọkọ anyị nke uhuruchi a, na-asị ya makwara ụnụ niile mma, mara nwoke mma, mara nwaanyị mma, mara onye ukwu mma, mara onye nta mma, mara ikwu na ibe mma, mara onye ọbụla na-ebe ụmụchukwu okabịa ma ndị nọ na mba ofesi dị iche iche, ma ndị nọ na Biafra land, ndị na-awụ ọchị anyị, ma ndị nọ na comment section. Ana m asị ya makwara ụnụ niile mma, all the lovers of freedom all over the world, ndị ihe nwere onwe na-amasị. Chukwu okabịa ma gozie unu niile n'otu for honoring our invitation today. We are celebrating, my people. We are celebrating. If you are here and you don't know why you are here, just know that we are celebrating. It is not easy. It is not easy, my people. It is easy. Now, I have go otu afọ already. In short, just no do. I have go otu afọ now. Biafra nation is 1 year old already. So is it not amazing? The Egyptian Republic fallbacks, ha ka na ebe a na-achụchọ na social media chọọ na-ebubia propaganda na-eme nke na-eme nke ọzọ na-achọ ego agbata eke na-achọ ego nzama, whereas Biafrans are moving forward. USB, they are moving forward. Our government is moving forward. Our Agụnwaanyị, Her Excellency Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, nwaanyị anyị ji eje mba, she's moving forward. Ma ndị sị na ha ga-akwatu ya today, where are they? Our DPM is there, moving forward every day, bringing unities to us. Many achievements just under 1 year. Just count our blessings. Just 1 year. Under 1 year. Just look at where we are today. Is it not a thing of joy? Is it not something to celebrate? In fact, my people, this is, I'm so happy. I don't know why. I don't even know whether you people are happy the way I am today. I'm so happy. I'm telling you. I'm short. This is the great thing that can happen to any Biafran person, to celebrate our 1 year independence. Other easy. It's not easy. Yeah, make ifo. It's not easy. Yeah, make ifo munnem. So celebrate, Biafran, celebrate. We are going home, whether they like it or not, whether the evil people like it, whether the zoo terrorist government and their agents, whether they like it or not, we are going home. I'm telling you the truth. So today, as you can see, I have my brothers here. Ndị gbara mgburugburu, unu afụgo ndị njem ọnụ agbara mgburugburu, lekwe ha here, ndị njem ọnụ, they are here. So joining me in this celebration today, we have our brother Humble Lion. We have our brother Real Biafra TV. We also have our brother Kai Reports. We also have our brother Biafra Exodus TV. So I zoom them. Even Rose nokwa here mana all the very tired. So you know, our time and their own is not the same. So all the very, very tired. You need to go to sleep. If not, he's here too. So you can see that now I want a full house. So celebrate ụmụnne dịka anyị si wee gwa ụnụ. Anyị si onye ọbụla ji nke o ji ya were pụta ije ekpere. You need to call in. I get in your number very soon. You need to call in. You need to ọ bụ na ekpere ka ijiri bịa iwere bịa. Ọ bụ na ọwụ okwu ka iji wee bịa, okwu ekene ka iji wee bịa ikene our government were bịawa. Today you have every right, every chance to talk, to greet our government, to say whatever you want to say that will benefit our government, anything at all. Just were bịawa. Okay, so we are here as we said, and we have fulfilled. I thank you, Kabiama, onye mere ka ụbọchị taa ka ọ bịa na mmezu. Anyị kelere ya. Ọ dịrị izi iwe ụmụnne gị inform ha wee zago oku. Ọ dịrị izi atọ. So ana m ekene ụmụnne anyị niile ndị zara m oku today, ndị niile mkpọsịrị aha ha, na anyị m ekene ha ka Chukwu Kabịa ma gọziere m ha, gọzie ihe niile ha na-eme, gọzie ezinụlọ ha, gọzie ọrụ aka ha, gọzie ọpụpụ ha na mbata ha. Ana m ekene ha n'oge awa dị ugbu a, na-asị ụmụnne m nnọọnụ. So n'egbughị oge ọbụla achọrọ ka ihe anyị ji wee bịa today, one of the videos because I abịaghị ime program today will celebration kind of. So I put this video now, then I akpọ ụmụnne anyị n'otu ka ha kelee Biafrans. Okay, so please keep commenting, keep liking, keep sharing this program, keep liking the program too. And open today be your first time of joining us, please make sure you subscribe and turn that notification bell. Very, 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 very important. So let us play this one video, and then I will call on my brothers to greet Biafrans. There were no moon name.
There were.
Okay. the video now put out because now like hit the like button to invite others to join. Hit the like button, continue to share the program. Are you watching us from X? Please continue to retweet this particular program. So as Nigeria continue to die in their heart, so Biafra will continue to rise in ours. 2 days to the United States of Biafra independent celebration and honoring of our fallen heroes and heroines. Unity rapidly in progress. So let us go and watch this little
The Declaration of the United States of Biafra. Hope for humanity.
So I need to read what our government wrote here. He said, United States of Biafra government, successor of the Republic of Biafra, Independence Day celebration, November 29th, 2025, public holiday and total shutdown. Public holiday and total shutdown. Public holiday and total shutdown on Saturday, November 29th, 2025, in the 40 states of Biafra land to mark the United States of Biafra USB Independent Day. Over 10,000 pins and 10,000 berets delivered and distributed by our allies from Hong Kong for the United States of Biafra military for the Independence Day celebration, November 29th, 2025. All the USB citizens will celebrate this day with a white polo shirt and blue or black pants. Wow. Did you listen to that? Did you listen to what I just read? They said that over 10,000 pins and 10,000 berets delivered and distributed by our allies from Hong Kong for the United States of Biafra military for the Independence Day celebration, November 29th, 2025. Wow, this is awesome, my people. This is awesome. So let us continue to
God bless our brothers and sisters in Hong Kong.
This is awesome.
It's a wonderful, it's a great joy.
Yeah, this is awesome. Great joy. This is wonderful. Wonderful.
The Declaration of the United States of Biafra. Hope for humanity.
Wow, this is awesome, my people. This is awesome. This is awesome. We thank our allies for this wonderful thing that they have done. We thank them so much, my people. We thank them so much. We thank our allies for this wonderful gift. We thank them so much. So, my people, welcome back, my people. So you see, if you are in homeland, we urge you to make sure you sit at home on this day. Our government said that very day is public holidays to all USB citizens. If you know you are a USB citizen or people that is in our land, you are not a USB citizen, you are also going to sit at home. That very day have been declared sit at home and also a public holiday to our people in homeland. So please take note, my people, take note. You must adhere. Make sure you adhere to this announcement. It's very, very important. This is to show the people of the world that we, or the zoo terrorist government, that we we have taken over our territory and nobody can tell us what to do in our own land. So please make sure you adhere to this particular instruction. Thank you so much. So without wasting time, I need to call on our brothers to greet Biafrans, and I am going to our brother Kai report. Please, bro Kai report, greet Biafrans. There we go.
Huh? Maz, mute yourself. Mute yourself.
They're talking to me. Let her call it.
Braka, you are muted. Braka, you are muted. You are muted. Unmute yourself. Good.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
I was talking. Thank you so much, Ada Simon. God bless you for this opportunity. Yes, I really appreciate you for this. And let me use the opportunity to thank God Almighty, who made it possible for this day, for the journey so far, starting from by the time the Finland did what they did to stop PM, and the same God in heaven whom we serve pushed the COS out, and she stood up and did what she did, which until this day, some people are still confused. You know, the way she carried everything and declared Biafra with all the threat and fear in the atmosphere. Everybody was shaking and panicking, but that's the same God who made it possible, pushed everything forward and made it the way it is today. In fact, I am happy to be here. Like I said, all of you in the comment section and my brothers and sisters that are here in the studio, starting from Humble Lions and Real Biafran TV, Exodus, Roselle, Kenena is not here, and many other people who are doing marvelously well. My greetings to you. I appreciate you all. Today is the first day we gathered like this, just to appreciate the journey so far, and it is not easy, and this is not going to be the last though. So few days from now, we are going to celebrate the anniversary of that day. Remember, some people said that it was declared on 2nd of December. So it is laughable. You know, sometimes we need to crack up. You need to laugh at this bunch of fools who'd never think normal. We all watch everything. As an independent broadcaster, you cannot just, you don't need cabinet member to tell you the date, because we watched it, we followed everything. So I want us to, in case in our own various platform, let us keep on reminding them that Biafra was declared on 29th, not 2nd, because if so we cannot just keep our mouth shut, so that they will not fix that day to be 2nd. Even though it means nothing to me, my own interpretation, I don't think it matters. But since they want to make it like to solidify that day, which is the 2nd of December, we will constantly remind them that Biafra was declared on 29th. And Wikipedia have actually announced it. I don't know if you have seen that one. If you check online, you will see it. The date is already on net. So for some of us, anybody that's having this kind of crazy mindset that Mazda Zayayogo is pushing something somewhere to deceive you, If you are confused, please marry your Google or check with Skibidi. Even AI will help you out to tell you that date is 29th of November, and so shall it be. So we thank God for journey so far. We thank God for everything. We appreciate COS and all the cabinet members, despite all the battle, the challenges, the insults, and all the trap. Sometimes some of these trap actually elevate the morale and ginger them the more. Because remember, they said that she is an agent of Nigeria. She's Madam People's Club of Nigeria. That she's Madam Bao. In fact, the whole journey started by she stopped fundraising. You want men on ground to die of hunger. Today, I have been watching them doing their own broadcast, doing their fundraising. They're no longer talking about who they're donating the money for. Now it's money for Washington DC to go and have handshake with the one hanging in one flower somewhere in Washington to snap it. Okay, can have. I don't know. His cameraman is trying, which is Isaiah, which is Elias, which I prefer to call him Sea Lion because the way he positions his leg is funny. He keep on lying to the people, bringing camera every now and then. Any white man that walking, passing by, they will stop and have a handshake. Just to see, I don't know. Some people are very crazy. Anyway, thank you, my sir. Thank you all for having me. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ndewo ezigbo nwanne m ekene gị. Ogbe anyị eburu anyị gaa ebe our brother Biafra Exodus TV nọ. Ngwa nkele Biafrans. Ndewo.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ada Simon Ekpa. Thank you so much. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity for us to gather here tonight to talk to Biafrans, we the people. Yeah, today is the day that the Lord has made. I believe we are going to rejoice and be glad in it. Because we are alive and we are privileged for us to witness our new government. Understand? We witness our new government live and direct. What our fathers has been praying for, that they have been fighting for, we have gotten it. We believe we'll be on our own time and he delivered it. So we are very, very happy and grateful to God because he's the one that done it so that no man should boast. I want to use this opportunity to thank you also, Ada Simon Ekpa, for your wonderful job that you are doing. You are indeed a great woman. You are indeed Adanne. Original. Your own is original Adanne. There is no fake in you. Yotago. Because I say that now by their fruit you shall know them. Yotago. If one get for that that is nena fight romia. Equal equity, equal fairness, equal justice, and then the progressive. That is the age where USB. That is what USB stands for. So I see all that in you. So when and the good job you are doing to Biafrans in the midst of all these hackers, in the midst of all these distractions, in the midst of all these confusions, you stood your ground. You stood your ground to defend what is right. So we really appreciate you for that. Chineke will continue to bless you, protect you, and to preserve you. And you are going to live to see Biafra, and the future generation is going to enjoy Biafra. He said, my sister. I also want to use this opportunity to greet my special one and the only, my mentor in the building, Mazi Kai Report, a wonderful man indeed. A wonderful man indeed. And make this our brother in a special way. I always thank him in a special way because now I'm today, now YouTube today. He's the one that brought me out. He's the one that brought me out. He's the one that inspired me. He's the one that told me, please, brother, you have the talent. Come and talk to Biafrans. He encouraged me. And I am here today talking is because of him. So Mazikai, I thank you so much. Protect, preserve, Ogo. You will live to see Biafra. And your future generation will inherit Biafra and will enjoy Biafra. You stood in the gap. You stood in the gap. You stood in the gap. When on the fall back, you better rise here. How will put it against USB? Go on, Mazikai, with your conscience. Because you're not support everybody make them mad. You have that conscience. Even though whether government recognize you, government not recognize you, you use your platform to analyze things to Biafrans in a way how get you now so that no you actually make a decision, you actually make a choice, you have full clear. Gagwan and car black, and car yellow, car red, and car white. Make your decisions, and whatever decision you make, on your desire make the choice. So Mazikai, thank you so much for being fair. Thank you so much for defending truth, because the Bible says that Ezoku won't do. So, and you giving truth to Biafrans, you are giving Biafrans life. So Mazikai, may God bless you and protect you and preserve you. He said, I want to use this opportunity also to thank Mazi Humble Lion, Onyamuma nya biawo, Elijah, Onyamuma nya biawo. Onyamuma nya biawo, Elijah, Onyamuma nya biawo, Elijah, Onyamu nelela nya here, Onyamu buru amasi na nwa, Onyamu buru amafu say that ya na-egosi ya, onye na-akpa iwu anyanwụ na ọ ga-efe aka very soon. Nchetakwara this man, Onyamu lekwe ya here. Otaka si wefu ya. From nowhere, I am able to weti kapita. Ya ga pass that revelation and one na ebuka le iwu anyanwụ fe aka. Omereme ko omereme. Ya wesikwa na ọ na-afụkwa n'elu isi nkezi afọ ya azi. Nke onye Anambra.
Ifeanyi Ụba.
Ụmụ Joseph efukwa nnụnụ n'elu isi Ifeanyi Ụba. So Ifeanyi Ụba ya kpewe ekpere Ifeanyi Ụba Ifeanyi Ụba ekweghị ege ntị. Ifeanyi Ụba ekweghị ege onye amụma ntị. Anasị onye nwekwa onye yikwa white bụ mpi. Achọghị gasị na amaghị onye ọgwụ. Ifeanyi don't want to listen. Ifeanyi Ụba kwe aka. Yotago. The same onye amụma ahụ na-elekwa anya ahịa. Dide ha mụrụ nwaanyị isi ọcha n'eluigwe. Dide ndị a ka ekekwara Humble Lion. Chineke na wee kekwa Humble Lion. Si asụpagide nwaanyị a. Sụpagide disi nwaanyị isi ọcha. Na fọkọ bịa niile n'ụwa. That's ihe niile oge arụwara niile ọ ga-arụ na ụwa. Na gị mark ya make sure no treat mess up ya finish. And the Chineke na ya were a blessing to us in a time like this. That woman who witch, that woman is evil. Yes. That woman is the confirmed. When the sister you put on yes. I have them here. So Mazi na Chineke na we use Mazi Humble Lion in the line here. Ya we kubo nwanya, we chupagide bomba to up to now. What can I cheer? Up to now. Up to now. Why Humble Lion can I chupa? Humble Lion say that all about bugadi n'ime hole. You take that ala no ga muputa ya. So go another one.
Yes.
Humble Lion, I salute you.
Yes,
you. That's a wonderful job. Everybody we wanted that grace, yeah. Everybody we wanted that grace, yeah. Chideke na mubarag ya. Onye obla choro gada, onye obla choro gada. My point. Make sure that the people are that Ezoku and don't allow devil to enter you. Don't allow devil to enter you. Now go card. He said, I appreciate you. And we Biafrans, we love you so much. And I'm one of your biggest fans. Now go card. He said. I took a opportunity when the one and the only Mazi Chino Odrebo Mazi Chino Lequia here. The Read Biafran TV Onyezoku, and we are privileged to know him in our own time. I want to hear Obodo dem moto this was it dem ma. One only the about this was a professor. Na kusiri nation, na kusiri. Our people, people, thousands of people are gathered na lecture. Your lecture go hotel. You have that gift, but thank God it's now using that gift now in USB, and that was a very wonderful blessing to us. I am when I go to 47 disposing a cover more Biafra. You go to 47 disposing a cover more Biafra. Name Biafrans educate based on how many that privilege. But they failed to do it. They failed to do it because of their personal interest, because of their spirit of jealousy, envy, and hatred, and bitterness, which is very, very dangerous in this Biafra movement. Or the very, very dangerous. Because without that self-discipline and moral decency, one, you're not going to make any headway in this movement. You know, so at Read Biafran TV, he took his time to educate Biafrans what government is all about, the duty of government. Only of na hotel of more. So I say, Chino, Jide Kiji, God continue to bless you and to protect you and to preserve you. Any opportunity we need to our government, because tomorrow is our celebration, right? We are celebrating tomorrow. Our first ever independence. I've been very, very happy. But but inside of our, we are very, very grateful.
It's not tomorrow, it's on Saturday.
So we thank Dr. Ngozi Orabeze for your wonderful job, our DPM of our time. What God used you to do. I got more time to see enough, but touching can I use it. And I like that you answered that call, and you are proving to Biafra that you truly, truly love us, and you were mother indeed. That you have protected the mandate of our supreme leader, Masina Dikalo, protected the mandate of Dr. Ngozi, our prime minister, the dragon, Simon Ekpa. You stood firm and you protected the mandate. And since you have remained humble, steadfast, and consistent, may God bless you. And all the genuine cabinet members, I want to use this opportunity to thank all the forces. I just want to rush it because of time. All the forces of the United States of Biafra that are protecting our land. That couldn't we defend our people, defend our life, defend our life. Ebu onye bunyere ebesi aga were ga gbagbu nwanne ya. Ebunye ga ebesi ga were kidnap nwanne gị. Owoye ya nwanne Masina Dikalo dunyere gị go mepere ESN. Le Biafra Liberation Army ebunye ga ebeki ga gbagbu nwanne gị ebunye ka were defend all your people. Anya aka ịnwuru iyi ya. So all of you that are steadfast doing it genuinely, ije egba were agbagbu nwanne gị, ije na make kidnapping, but ije na defend our people. The land, Biafra land will continue to protect you and to preserve you. But all of those people that are using that, because all of one love, may it reign, and may God bless all the genuine Biafrans all over the world. I got it. Biafra. Children would benefit from me. Now for to go Kabiyama. So I use my mic for now. For that note.
Thank you.
So I can hang as one them bro Exodus TV. Ndewo Chukwu gozie gị for that wonderful comment. So ụgbọ anyị na-aga na ụgbọelu anyị na-aga na buru anyị buja ya ebe onye amụma anyị nọ. Onye amụma anyị abịago, onye amụma anyị abịago, Elijah, onye amụma anyị abịago, humble, onye amụma anyị abịago. Ngwa, take the mic. Ndewo ozi nwanne m. Greet Biafrans.
Nnedanụ sọ.
Ndewo.
Eji m ohere a na-ekene ndị eziokwu ndị ihe n'ọhịa. Eji m ohere a na-ekene Biafran TV. You are doing a great job.
Welite olu.
1 minute.
Biafrans, I hope you are liking this video. Just hit that like button. Hit. Share the program for us. Share the program anywhere you are watching from. Please make sure you like the video, share it, and continue to subscribe. If today is your first time of joining any of our platforms, please subscribe and please turn your notification bell, okay? So that whenever we come live, you'll be able to know that we are live. Thank you so much, Biafrans.
Sorry for the interruption.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Eji m ohere a na-ekele afọ mụrụ Biafra, Mommy Lion, Mommy Humble Lion, on them call. For the first time, Eshi Finland daughter, if be in Finland, mgba mmadụ pụtara n'ihu kamera si na media is power. That thing enweghị mkpọrọ ya. For the first time, enweghị mkpọrọ ya. Then anọzi mụkwa dị na ahụ ị na-eme na social media, because ihe mụnwa mega na social media dị iche. So anọ m nnọọ otu mmụọ si bukwa m gakwa. Abịazi nwaanyị ka nwaanyị, asị na nwaanyị a sowe nwaanyị a protect ya. Before know it, first person ịpụ just know where picture ya tinye. Ọ mụa. M sị nga ọ nọ nga m ga-anọ. Before know it. Ọ otu o si bide. Ọ ya mere m ji sị nne m o mere ihe nne ka mụrụ ụmụ na ga-emenwu dị m. Believe me. And that's m na-enwe nwaanyị eke ya. Enwe nwaanyị eke ya. I love her so much with all my heart. Na ihe ọma o mere anyị. Ọ ya mere anyị ji nọkọta today. Ọ ya mere anyị ji mara onwe anyị nọrọ today. Ọ ya mere o ji nọrọ na-ekwu eziokwu. And Chineke na-abịakwa benyere anyị aka. Ndị mmadụ na-ege anyị ntị. Because ma asọ ọwụghị anyị nwa ihe gara imebi. Ndị a tụrụ anya ya disappointed. All the form of now. Ihu otu Chineke na-si wepụtara Biafra TV. Yo no shi anya Ugo 247. Ugo 247 kwesịrị Ugo 247 n'ụwa ya na tụrụ ya ọnwụọ ihe Biafra TV na-eme onye emenwu ndị ya. Dịka that cheap survival tụrụ ya ọnwụọ ihe Biafra TV na-eme onye emenwu ndị ya. Believe me, because their brain can never reach that way. Ịbịa sị ka ha ga gwawa ụmụ Biafra that kind of thing. Now today we na-ahụ n'otu ha siri end their up because they are not trained and ha amaghị ihe ha chọrọ. Onye ọbụla amaghị ihe ha chọrọ ị ga-ama. Onye anyị nwa nọ here, we know what we are looking for. We are in abroad and we have seen the light and we see the good things in abroad. And God now provides somebody that will help us and give it to us. So what we have to do to make sure we support our government to achieve our dream. God so kind. Nwanyị ka nwanyị Chineke na-ewere aza anyị ekpere. Chineke na-ewere aza anyị ekpere. And Chineke na-ewerekwa anyị nwakwa. Mmadụ dịka Kai, mmadụ ka Ada Simon, mmadụ ka Isedos, mmadụ dịka Kenenna, mmadụ dịka
Rose.
Bro Rose. That is, we are many. And all the time, all these evil people may overshadow. TPA final. TPA. Onye ọbụla ịhụrụ na isoka na-eso ndị ọjọọ na game na ọwụ nye iberibe. Because onye na-ahụghị ha eziokwu. All the form of him playing today. And then see this man kwuru ihe niile a na oso ndị fall back mate here. See why ndị mmadụ ji dị like this? Ifu ihe o kwuru the man a na-agwa gị ha ọsị ọ gwara nwaanyị ka nwaanyị si ya, please don't be in a hurry to start the woto. Akwena anụ. Believe me, so this man say this kind of thing. Say today, look at what is going on. So many of them, look at something you just played now. You see Imam Madabu celebrating, waving flag. But today, where is him? So Chineke na just no were anyị no mere anyị ihe niile a. Gịnị ga-eme m gasị ma asọpụtụ na nwaanyị a? Ọ bụ ya ga-emere ihe o mere mụ? Ana m ekele ya. Ana m ekele ọbata obi ebe ọbụla na ana m asị Chukwu oke ebe m ya ọ gbaa ya ume. The love nwere n'obe ọbata obi nọ. Hai Chineke unu na-afụ ihe niile. Akwụnụ ka m na-ebe ndị down na-akpọrọ isi n'ala because of the love m nwere n'ebe ọ nọ. Enwere esi ọbata obi just n'ọbata ahụ ndị na adịkwa na TikTok dị ihe ahụ. Sọsọ mụ na ya nọ. Nsị ya nna m si ịhụnanya m nwere n'ebe nọ dị too much. Si ya mee ka anyị nawa n'ike obodo oyibo agwụna m. Ọsị m na ọ ya eme ya. But ndị iro abịa were otu agbagide mgbe ịhụnanya ya anụ. Bụ ihe niile mere nụ Chineke nna amazụ. Ana m ekele onye ọbụla, ana m asị ihe ọbụla ka anyị na-eme today Chineke na ya oduo anyị and ntụ ọbụla ga-anụ anyị ihe unu ga-anụta from mos ga-abara unu uru. Enwere ezigbo onye eziokwu nọkwa ahịa na comment section Maazị Ugochukwu Ojiugo. Chukwu ga-agọzi gị mgbe ọbụla ị na-atọ ọnụ up. Ana m ekele unu niile biko unu maka m si ekwu amaghị m ekwu ọtụtụ ọbụla m si kwute ya were m nke unu si wefu m. Papa, thank you so much. Thank you. I love you all. Ka emechaa nụ ka m nọrọ na the background na-ege. Ndewo nne m nna m ndewo.
Thank you so much. So emechakwa anyị ga apụkwa na kpata because so enwekwara ihe ga-eme na ya kpọtakwa gị ka ị bịa gwa bịa.
Anọ m ya.
Okay. So ndewo. Thank you so much for that wonderful comment. Anyị ekene gị. So ụgbọelu anyị wee burukwa anyị na-agakwa wee land ya na nke our own brother, one and only brother, Real Biafra TV. Ezi nwanne m anyị ekene gị. Thank you so much for honoring this invitation. Over to you, Kene Biafra Ndewo.
I will start from greeting my president, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, our declaration maybe ya cobro no ya bụ the president of United States of Biafra. Ana m ekenekwa my prime minister Maazị Simon Ekpanjọkụ ọbata obie nke mbụ na Biafra land gburugburu. Esikwe m n'otu aka ahụ na-ekele my deputy prime minister Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, the deputy prime minister of Biafran people, the surrogate, rotate the mandate, only one person in all. My special greetings to this honorable and all the excellencies, I mentioned their name here. From my location, I would say, good evening to you all. I don't make that Simon in a special way. Now, it's been a long Bible says, Leko se demma. Pun no kata nke ndị bụ ụmụnne. Na ọ na-asụsọ pun no kata nke ndị bụ ụmụnne. Mgbe anyị na Ugo 247 na ọ nwere mgbe m kwuru asị na ọ dịkwa mma nakọta ndị anyị kpakọta n'ọnụ. Ihe na nnụnụ feta ọ bụrụ igwe nnụnụ n'okwu ndị Igbo ka ndị Baịbụl asụ ya n'Igbo asụ nwa afọ. Ihe na ofu isi adịghị eme ọhịa. And they believe na united we stand, but all divided we fall. And they continue falling. So I thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. And honestly, I thank you in a special way for giving you this mind to bring us together, because anything we can name, all of Biafra can here called you. So ebe needs to take chicha. Bolo zo batagi no obi okata anya onu. O ku if it's we kwa anya obna zo ozugbo. E nwe ike mkpo ogo ya na ama azazi. Mana ihe ahụ oji bụrụ na nwaanyị nwụlọ ka iji kpọ ya wee dadi okwu ngwa ka ọ dị ugbu a. So may Elohim protect you, more strength, more wisdom, and more love to Biafran people. Thank you so much. I won't stop without greeting a special one to me also. Maazị reports. He is an amazing, wonderful, awesome person in the midst of us. At a time, all the government wouldn't have game. The casino one get Biafran government or Guna. Chineke say what put here or pota. What again one? Ebia. And maybe a Maazị report also that my YouTube page also for any prime advice. So Maazị does give one of us to go those who are more. Also, Anaga. I won't stop by thanking my Snasia Maazị report. Ngwiji Kodimma or Mankwa. Onye ọbụla na-achụ otu ugbo, ọ ga-ada ugboro na-asa before rute ebe ị nọ. And ọ daa nke asaa ọ dapịa. Ọ ga-ada na Eke, daa n'Orie, daa na Afọ, daa na Nkwọ. Otu a ka ọ dị. Ihi na ndị be anyị sị na onye asị ya jide ka o ji na o ji nke ọma. Ma onye asị ya raa ka iji na ị na-eme nke ọjọọ. Ndị ọjọọ niile raanụ ka unu ji ka unu bịa mee nke ọma. Maazị Kai reports. Thank you so much. From my location. Good evening, sir, from here. Thank you so much. I won't pass by. My one I make Biafra as a does. Ihi na ofu okwu na di ekwu o si na ntana ya dị haka drone. And here bụ ndị akwale kwensi biko mu Biafra nje mbro to okwu from our brother as a does. Ngwucha nka ngwa ha na o si na all the enemies of Biafra are heading to Red Sea. If you got the kind of unique onye ba n'ime anyị na enwere okwu ibu a ga-eji wechitarịrị ya gị. But still that like Biafra land ikwu hala bilie anya agbaghị ihe ahụ ikwu eji wechita gị. Ogosi na onye ahụ na ya. So Maazị Ezedos, thank you so much for all you do. It's not easy. But all of you are making it to be easy. And I draw my strength from you all. Then I won't stop to thank my one and only brother, friend, a pusher, a go-getter, Maazị Humble Lion. My special greetings to you. Because I have not the other room for now. So it is what goes here. Yeah, so that's the humble line. Thank you so much. So Mazi Humble Lion, honestly, ihe ahụ na mmemme oke enwere m obi ọka ebe from now. Because I'm free ahụ ihe ndị kai report na-atụrịgasị. O nwere ihe ndị ọsị na-eme ọ na-atụrụ ya ntu na-ele na-asị na Chineke well osoro nke onye ọbụla because mmekwu nwere ka my life dị ịmago ihe military abịa eme my movement na-esi adị. So ọ bụrụ ya mfe ịbụ kpamkpam mgba ntọsi iche ekwu ya adụọ mazụ n'ime and sometimes ndị ikwu okwu na nna dị na speed ikwu okwu si ebe a mpụọ maka that speed bụ speed ndị mụnwa n'ime otu aka nsị nwere nọdụ iwu ọrụ onye ka o ji abụ na ndị megara esi na nchedo akwa anaghị adọkaka you be that mmenya gị chance to even to stay single word until were gị si ebe ahịa na-abịa pụọ ngwa ha gị nwachakwa anaghị it's more ma bịa more down. So ana m ekele ncha niile honestly ana m ekele ncha niile ana m ekele Kaire my brother Rose ana m ekele Ezeku na son ana m ekelekwa Maazị Kelenna also. They are all doing awesome at a time bụ na ọ dịka anya ọgwụna ọ na platform Humble Lion ka m na wee kwuo ya mgbe anyị na-ezo ọsọ n'ebe ha m kwuru si ya na ebe anyị na ugbu a ka Chineke si na ọ bụ na mmadụ nke ụwa ajụ ito ya nwa na ya ga-akpọlite okwute ka ọ bịa too ya agwara nsa nna anyị maọbụ okwute ahụ ebilisiela n'ime anyị o ana okwute ewu n'oge back o tiri ewuchi ụla a na-ewu ihe n'otu aka ọ dị. So none of us, no evil spirit will conquer or capture any of us. And the onweghị n'ime anyị mmụọ nganga maọbụ mpako maọbụ ekwe ka agbaziro ga dị n'ime mmadụ n'ime anyị n'otu n'otu ọ ga-ewepụrụ anyị ka anyị wee nwee ike ịnọ na-agwata ụmụ Biafra ha na-agwa anyị na comment section because ọ nwere na-agwa okwu si ya na m mepere YouTube apụtara m ka wee mara ihe ndị ọ bụrụ eziokwu na m na-amụta from your comments ihe na comment section from Ibrahim na phone na from there I learned something from you also. We rub our mind together here na Jesus ndị na-eso ozi ya bịa nụ ka anyị rụta ụka ịrụta ụka abụghị ihe ọjọọ a na-esi rụta ụka wee mara nke bụ eziokwu na ihe a na-ekwu ekwu ọ ya bụ ihe anyị nwa na-eme utumo Biafra niile ọ ya mere njiwe na-asị na ofu ihe ka anyị na-achọkwanụ only one goal bụ ihe frọd gịnị bụ ihe a ka Chukwu oke abịa mepee anya mba ụwa niile ka ha si yes na from tata na anyị ekwetakwala na Biafra rule a country under Ngozi Orabueze. And me kwunke modi pop and play na si my own. Na ma awokwu na awa ajija. Na under this suma no jere made declaration ihi na enwe ya njiro ofu ndị fallback si ya bụ my brother na raka la agba m let preach him West Adiko. What about the video declaration ko onye na-ekwu okwu ebe ahụ from mbido to end no conclude ya.
Yes.
Ogbo ọsọ okwezi that my brother block up totally. See with that video from November 29 to December 2nd, please bam in every hour who is the top of the game. If we want Halonya and go sim, I'm not saying na ga ebe a na-eje. Enwere ihe dị ebe anyị nọ ka now. Ndị mmadụ agọta ebe anyị nọ. Ebe anyị nọ bụ na evidence bụ nke bụ eziokwu. Ndị be anyị sị na nke m nọ na ntị bụ asị mana nke m fụrụ n'anya ma abụọ bụ eziokwu. Ewe gwakwa otu ahụ na agwa ofu onye fụrụ ndị be anyị na-akpụ ya eke ndị be anyị adịghị ewu eke njaba igbo esada afọ gị bụ sorry a ga-amapụ gị n'ala forever and ever. I imagine a ga-akwa gị n'ọdị ndụ a na-akwa eke ahụ a na-akwa gị n'ọdị ndụ nke gị nwa. So na agwọ ofu onye fụrụ bụ eke atamina adịghị egbu ya egbu mana agwọ mmadụ na-atọ mmadụ nọ fụrụ bụ gịnị agwọ maọbụ agwọ esite ya eri erite nwere ihe ọ ga-eme. Ọ kwara ebe a ka anyị nọ ka ọ dị ugbu a onye kwụ na pulpit ọkwa Ngozi Orabueze onye na-enye instruction ọkwa Ngozi Orabueze onye tinyere ọda tụtụọ flag kwa Ngozi Orabueze. Ndị ụwa ma nke bụ eziokwu a nke ha ji wee mee ka gịnị wee mee oge nkere ji wee gwa gị mgbe ahụ o ji egbupụtacha nne egwu wee bata from village o ji gbute nnu egwu n'ime ọfịa bata o wee gwa gị na ya jidefụ ndị congressmen ya wee ruo na ndị congressmen dị busy na-eme ihe mana ha na-awa ọchị ha na telivishọn then ọkwa ndị congressmen na ndị busy na-awa ọchị na telivishọn ọkwa ya o ji wee gosi na the congressmen ma nke bụ eziokwu ihe na ihe agbala aka adịghị eji enye ali ya onye ọbụla ịfụrụ n'ụwa apụtara na wee kpụrụ ịmụ ya na-agba akwụ nkwụ ka a na-ata ata n'ọnụ wee sị gị nye ya mmanụ ka ya wee taa akwụ ịmụ na onye ahụ bụ onye arụrụ ala ihi na gịnị bụ na ya akwụ gịnị bụ mmanụ onye na-aracha mmanụ aṅụ ọ sị gị nye ya nnu So ụmụ Biafra anyị na-aracha mmanụ aṅụ ndị aracharaba nnu hapụ ka arachaba na nnu na-agbabi eriri afọ mana mmanụ aṅụ adịghị egbu eriri afọ kama o mee ya ọbịa mee gị anụ ahụ ga-aghasịkwa onwe ọbịa dịka mmadụ. So ụmụ Biafra ebe anyị nọ ebe na gịnị na awa celebration ka anyị nọ n'ime ya biko onye alakwala azụ na mmanwụ anyị na-agba n'iro mmakọ ebe mmanwụ ọ bụ mmanwụ nke United States of Biafra na-agba n'iro onye lekwa anya n'azụ nekwa gị na ndị fallback nekwa gị nekwa ndị RCC nekwa gị nekwa Presidents Unite lekwa gị nekwa Adosho lekwa ebe ị ga na-anụ ozi ọma ka ndụ gị wee dị ogologo jebe na nke Ada Simon ezigbote ada ịmana ndị be anyị na-agụ na ada nwere nke ka ibo ya ogo anyị etinye ada oyogoyo ọkwa na nwafọ ka mbụ abụ ezigbo nwa afọ n'ihi na anụrụ m n'obodo wee mara ihe a na-eme. So ụmụnne anyị jebe na nke mgbe ọbụla ị chọrọ ịnụ ozi ọma chọba na ozi ọma Ada Simon chọba na ozi ọma Kai Report nwoke because ụdị obi ọma Kai Report na-enwe asa ndị mmadụ even na ọ bụrụ na platform na-enwezi nsị Kai tupu na ebe a kwa nya ebe abụọ na ihe a na-akọ ihe ebe a ọgwụgwọ ọnya nkịtị o wee ruo mgbe ọ ga-enyere oge time before sị ọgwụ ọnya time nke esi ebe a pụọ ya jebe na ozi ọma Kai Report jebe na nke Humble Lion jebe na nke Ezedos chọba eze kuna son chọba Kai Report chọba Kelenna ọ ndị a bụ ndị eziokwu nwere ka ọ dị ugbu a n'akwado gọọmenti ya na ụdị ọbụla anyị ekwechirigo na nke ikpeazụ we will never go back to Nigeria. We are only moving to Biafra. Airborne, we move. No surrender, no retreat. Maazị Kai Report, I salute you in a special way. Thank you, my senior comrade. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Ada Simon, you take easy. Thank you so much.
Ndewo. Wow. This is awesome. I hope you are celebrating with us. Are you all celebrating? Long live Dr. Ngozi Arabweze. Long live our PM, Mazi Simon Ekpa, the good guy himself. Anonkan Kampi. Long live our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Ohamadike one of Biafra land. Long live the Biafran, the USB cabinet members. Long live all Biafrans, and long live all my brothers and sisters, all my brothers that are here, not sister, we don't have any sister. All my brothers that are here, long live. They will
soon join us.
Okay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And long live Biafrans. Those in the comment section, those that are not there, but they are watching us from all over the world, long live all of you. Thank you so much. So, Bro Kai, I'm coming to you now. So, actually, me to go for from our declaration till now. Can you hear? What do you feel? How do you feel? How can you grade our government? What have you find out concerning our government? Do you like what you are seeing? Do you like what they are doing? Do you like how they are doing it? Do you like the Ngozi Arabweze? Do you like our government? Just tell us, how do you feel about our dear nation, Biafra, since the redeclaration day up to date? Please tell us.
Ndewo. This your question is very, very simple and difficult. Simple in the sense that if you don't know how difficult it is to lead our people, you will not understand the battle that she's facing. You will not understand. If you don't know, maybe you have not lead any, even if it's five people only. From our place, 5 people. To be their leader is not easy, let alone leading millions and having people that are sabotaging you. That's the household enemies. There's something that the Humble Lion said when he was talking. He said that after declaration, somebody came out and said that media is power. Right? This is something that you need to understand. The USB government have done a very good work, and they're still doing it, judging by the tackle and the attack from every corner. It is not easy. It is not easy. That, I used to ask some people each time because they will tell you that, oh, USB, go and ask God what is he doing. Go and ask what is he doing. And the same people saying those things, they will go behind, planning and plotting negative. Okay, for example, Azanyanyo came out and said that that Biafrans know your enemy. Know your enemy. That's the recent one. I'm not talking about the know your enemy with the pictures. Biafra, know your enemy. And one of your enemies is China. Another of your enemies is Russia. Why? Because USB government presence in Burkina. You understand? For him just to pollute the minds because he thinks that he's smart. He was not actually doing that thing to attack. It's not about that. It's not as if he care about Biafra, about you, about me and you. But he just want to create enmity. You understand? That connection just to pollute it because that's what he's good at. So judging, if your question is, how do I see USB government, the performance so far? My sister, if you are to count it now, I would lose count. I don't think I will be able to count all the punchline from USB government because if you don't know the sabotage, if you don't know, you will not understand. Forget about this. Some people telling you that, oh, show me Woto. The same people telling you, show you Woto. Then secret WhatsApp group looking for where you talk about Woto so they can go to FBI.
Yes.
The same people gathered in the WhatsApp group, communicating with their group. Oh, do you know Ngozi? Anything you know about her, just send it here.
Yes.
As God may have it, that WhatsApp leaked. We were able to read some of the comments from them. Exactly. That was before even they know that. And when they're doing those things, they were busy telling you, go and ask Ngozi, where is your army? Show us your army. Show me your army. She's not doing anything. Musa used to cry. If you want Musa to cry, you can't rub pepper in his eyes. You understand? You can't rub pepper in his eyes. Because as they're saying that thing, they keep on keeping some negative, thinking that they're smart. Who called the FBI? Because maybe you have forgotten that some people called the FBI. Yes. And calling even cabinet members, threatening them to so that they will just resign and run away. That FBI for secret use fake number, pretend to be FBI. What did the USB government? They now approach the FBI by themselves. That now find themselves or come and examine us. That is what government do. It is not easy. The attack from them in 1 week is enough to push even a giant man down. 1 week attack and sabotage is enough to destroy a giant man. So it's by God, not by me. It's not by strength, by human strength. This is God, miracle of God. And if for some of us that are contemplating, oh well, but our land is this, our land is that. If you want those people telling you to therefore know your enemy, some of them, if not all, actually your enemy. They are your enemy. In this critical time that PM is not here, somebody put hand in their pocket and brought out money to print their fellow Biafran picture and came out and started showing you on camera. Therefore, this man, this equals idiot. As a leader, equals idiot, or drop or pick on that person. Equals idiot. A leader so desperate and so eager to do. I don't understand. So my sister, I'm very happy, very, very, very happy. I don't want to don't show me what. Because if what is your criteria of a good leadership, I am not one of you. Because they want those asking you that thing, they actually want, they are the one reporting. And okay, should I talk about how those of them that want their friends to, those of them that report PM in Finland, all one day they buy. I will be one family. I gather and they get together. I go share non-real blue flag na the state of Europe. I build one family. Also, in the hand, Baba and Finland. That Buchelu Biafra to testify against PM in Finland. Try. The same people used to ask PM, show me what is eating your money, show me what you are doing. Are you not there? They started like that. What is Simon doing? What is Simon doing? Show me. But they will keep on comparing nonsense to use it again. So we know all those things. So thank you so much for your question. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for that wonderful comment. You know, these people, they are evil. You know, they think that we are still in agitation. What they don't understand is that we are no longer in agitation. We now have our government redeclared, elected, government elected, elected by the Biafran citizens themselves. Government elect. The people of Biafra, we casted our vote during our self-referendum in order to bring out this government. We declared our lost nation in Lasi, Finland on the 29th of November 2024. We now have a government in the 40 states of Biafra. We have our government that is effective and active in all the 40 states of Biafra. Now, there is what they don't understand is that there is difference between agitation and government. Now, we are no longer agitating. We are no longer agitating. We have our own government now. We have our independence now. And all eyes are on us. All eyes of the world, they are on us. As a new nation, all eyes are on us. And we must be very, very careful of what we do, what we say. That is why you see our Agumai. You see the way she's taking everything. That is where it's supposed to be. And also keeping all these in Zamarians, all the Abate case, all the Egyptian Republic fallbacks, the black market operators. She just kept them in a total darkness that they don't even know what is happening again. So you know na social media in a team, they don't have nothing, no evidence, no nothing. So you see, so on your natural woto. Are you not a human being? Go and do your own woto. We are now a nation, and we have government that is leading us, and everybody must make sure that you are under this government. You must adhere to the rules and regulations, to the laws of our government, of our nation. So that is how it is. So the time of woto have passed. I want to be used woto to get this particular independent for us. And now, this is no longer time for woto. Okay? Our government is following everything step by step. Remember what Abatobie said? Abatobie said that now, after our declaration, everything is coming step by step. And that is what you're seeing now. Our government is doing. They are bringing everything step by step. From this one, they go to another one. From this one, they go to another one. So that is how it's supposed to be. So, onye nacho woto. And just like our brother Kai report said, onye nacho woto, I compile all those things. Na compile here. Mandile record duka nwanya arụrụ ala Madam Lasuba of Sudan. That evil woman, nwanya obubo. Ọkwa hawa, onye ọbụla ha je na meeting, ana record ihe niile a na-ekwu, ana record everything. Ndị na-compile list, na-compile. At the end of the day, onye ha ji wee na-ele Obatobie today. So, and all the same thing ka ha chọrọ. So, mgbe ọbụla ifra ha na-ajụ sị, asị Ngozi Arabugoro Fulani, what is he doing? Gịnị ka ọ na-eme? Lechanụ ha anya ụmụnne m na ndị a bụ ndị mediocres.
I am telling you.
They are mediocres. So, do not mind them. Our government is following the template of a nation as they're supposed to run a government. There's no different from our own government with any other government you are seeing out there. There's nothing different. Government is government. Okay? Government is government. So let's shine a hanya. So this same question goes to our brother Exodus TV. Maazi biko achọrọ m ka imetụ aka n'okwu a. Since our declaration, cake is for the movement of things. How do you see our government? Are they following the template? Are they doing what Biafrans want? How do you see even our dear DPM, Her Excellency, Dr. Ngozi Arabeze? What do you see? What is the scenario? Just tell us. Thank you so much, my brother. Dewo, you have the mic.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Simon Egba. Thank you for this question. And for me, so far so good. Let me just start it that way. For me, so far so good. And first of all, just like we said before, I appreciate Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, the COS of our time, the DPM, of making herself available for this divine work, divine work, because I call it divine. So I call it divine. So just like Mazikai said, it's not an easy thing for you to lead Biafrans. Maznan Kanu made us to understand, our supreme leader made us to understand that now to save Biafrans is one of the most difficult tasks in this world. To lead Biafrans, to save them. Even to save them. It's not even talking about leading. To save Biafrans is one of the most difficult tasks. So, but we thank God for the grace God has bestowed, for the grace and the wisdom God has bestowed upon these our divine leaders. Which Mazina Nkalu is our supreme leader, right? And the PM Sabanekba is our prime minister. And Dr. Ngozi Arabeze is now the surrogate. If we check these three categories of these our divine leaders, no. Our Mazina Nkalu is the full representative of what USB stands for. An ambassador of peace, fairness, equity and justice and progress. And I've come to realize that this our USB government, that what they represent, they represent the mindset of Chukwu Kabiama. That is the way I see it. That is the way I'm seeing. I don't know about any other person. You understand? So I see it, they represent the mindset of God, like kind of God. There's a place where they say that God's thought for us is a thought of good. Is a thought of good and to give us peace and to bring us to an expected end, right? That is the mindset of God. So I'm not about the same mindset in Mazina Nkalu, which I'm seeing in PM Sabanekba, which is the same thing I'm also seeing in the life of Dr. Ngozi Arabeze. Do you understand what I mean? I see all these qualities in her. So millions of Biafrans see the same qualities. So they are the light. So USB is the light that have come to take away every darkness in our life. That's why I'm seeing it. I'm seeing USB as the kingdom of God here on earth. Like kind of that they will rule with justice and equity and the fairness. Nobody's going to be offended anymore. Our people will begin to experience justice. Our people will begin to experience progress. And then our people will begin to experience everlasting peace. You understand what I mean? Yes. All those things that the Nigerian government used to pin them down, USB government is going to lift it up. You understand? All the shame that they are giving to people, the USB government is going to bring smile upon people's face. You understand? Exactly. And there is going to be a huge, massive progress among us because this is a government where truth is the king. Truth is the king of USB. You understand? And and also, in another angle, I want to express this, like kind of, they say, the leadership. He said the government of this world shall be upon his shoulder. Yes. You understand? The government of this world shall be upon his shoulder. It's the United States of Biafra that is going to make the world understand what true justice is all about. How beautiful this world is going to. We are in this world, but we are out of this world. So United States of Biafra, they are doing a very wonderful job. Dr. Ngozi Arabeze is leading well with all the genuine cabinet members. And if you watch out what is going on, they are serving our people with humility. Yes. They are serving our people with humility. They are serving our people with understanding. and they are giving us divine instructions. And once we are following them and we are following, all eyes is on them, everything will begin to go smoothly. So for me, I feel like all Biafrans need to put all their hands on decks with every gift God has given unto you. With every gift that God has given unto you. Just like we are one body. We are one body. The head is master the card, or maybe just like this one body. Everything that is this body work for this body. Anya, Nanti, no, all of them, they are different. They are doing different duties. The hands, the legs, but they are working for one body. That is what USB is all about. So all we wishy na USB one issue for you to think good about us. I'm gonna pass the information. Don't only if you are eye, make sure you use your eye and see well for us. If you are ear in this Biafra movement, make sure you use that your ear and hear good things about us. If you are mouth in this Biafra movement, we don't go to ura informa, it's good on the guy for job. We don't go to informa. Just like at that time when we neighbor, we run here, informa. Just like Dr. Ngozora basic John and informa. They are representing well. Away be sitting where Biafra, we run gonna call to na condemn. Because whenever you make sense, Biafrans will listen to you. When it don't make sense, they will leave you, they move ahead. So so far so good. As we are moving, we are progressing.
Daluso, Ekenemgi. Yeah, exactly. Our government is awesome. Our cabinet members, they are awesome. Her Excellency, Dr. Ngozi Arabreze, Agadagbachiri ụzọ nwanyị. Afọ mụrụ anyị Biafra. Afọ mụrụ anyị USB na Lati Finland. Original Mama Biafra. Nnukwu Ada, anyị ji eme ọnụ. She's wonderful. She's awesome. We love her so much. And she is following the template. Everything that Obatu Obie have laid down, everything, the template have been there. And that is exactly what she's following, step by step, just the way Obatu Obie said it. And that is what we saw. That is what we saw. We said, no, we are going to follow this woman. This one knows exactly what she's doing. And she did not change anything. If you can see, our DPM did not change nothing. She did not change anything from everything that Obatu Obie have said when he was with us. She's just bringing them one by one out. Everything that Obatu Obie have said, you can see our DPM bringing it out one by one to show you that she is an obedient servant. She is an obedient servant. That is why she's now our leader now. Until all our leaders comes out. She's awesome. She did not put her own, she did not remove anything from what Obatu Obie said. From our currency to our passport to our ID card to our driving license. All this is Obatu Obie have said it already. To show you that she's just following the template of our PM. Forget about all these mediocre on social media. Forget about them. Just like all those fallen angels. Chineke okesi na enu we kwatu sie mgbe ha na-ada ha na-achọ onye ha ga-aghado aka achọ onye ha ga-aghado aka wee daa. Understand? This is the situation of this woman pia demon na nebegharị ebe niile. So forget about them and focus. We must focus. So this freedom is very, very important to all of us. Very, very important. Whether you believe or not, it's very, very important. So far so good. We thank our government. I think they have not done anything for us to start questioning them at this moment. So our brother, Humble Lion, we are coming to you right now. Please, what do you feel? How do you feel being a USB citizen? How do you feel? Are you pleased with your government? Are you pleased with our leader? Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, are you pleased with all the activities that our government is showcasing every now and then? How do you feel, Humble Lion? Unmute yourself. Okay. Asking you, how do you feel as a USB citizen? How do you feel? How do you see our government? How do you see our Agawai? How do you see the activities of our government in general and all the things that we're showcasing this short while from our declaration to this moment? How do you see everything? Just tell Biafrans.
USB, the form of asking here one I can enyo India. Believe me. Ndị hụrụ Zuzugenu na-akpọga aha ọjọọ because of the hatred. Some people enwere ndị dị natural because of not their mentality, their egotic mentality, the way they grown up, they feel that a woman cannot lead them. Ide nwaanyị ka nwaanyị, eze nwaanyị quality madam, dị anyị mma. Imagine Ngozi, anyị nwa here niile dị anyị mma. And the government mege ihe nke even ka anyị nwa na-atụghị anya ya. Enwe ihe na-edi m surprise sef. Giving a fundraising, give ya give ihe na-eme akịfụ nwaanyị ka nwaanyị na-esend the fundraising. Masị owu dị ofu ihe, ruo m jefu ya. Masị owu ofu ihe sef. Ọ ga na-asị dị ihe fundraising because enwere ndị nọ ma the capability of her. The donors na-enye secretly na-enye ya obi shike gị hụ ya yọpụta ya na shine ihe ọpụta obi na-atụ ya ụtọ yọpụta na-ekwu okwu ya were all the time feel free say whatever she want to say. She don't even care that na enwere ndị chere ibe inye ya. Why the mama that that people bring out themselves to support the government? Ndị ma na ya nwa na onwe ya the capable na ihe omega. Ndị ma na ya nwa na onwe ya ma ihe omega na support ya. Ama na that experience. If they were nna anyị bịara ibe ikwu si na abịa na the fundraising na ka enwere tata account oshi eji na-eyi maka okwu maachị ya si ọhịa emegaghị ya na ọhịa ọhụ si ya ọmara na enwere ndị ewu secret donor. Ọ ga-ama just na ya hapụ ya mgbe ọbụla ọ bịara bụ ihe ọbụla ọ chọrọ ikwu n'ebe m dị fa before achọbụ adị bụ support si ya but abịasị bịa hụzie si ọhịa emegaghị ya ọhịa ka eji emege mantitins niile asị nna mgbe ọbụla nne m pụtara we have to free her to say whatever she want to say. Let her say go. Say whatever she want to say. Let the message go far. The government is the moment now. It won't come na shine.
Wow.
It's a government. It's a government. They must bow. Okwuru. Mbaha. Oni magi wo na ekwu too much. Just say they must bow. Gifuku ya ida ahụ ya. Here made ndị ka ịhụrụ imegi isi ike wụ because of maybe ifere na-eme ha. Ọ ya mere o ji dị ka ha achọghị ịba awụ. Otu ọrụ ka ịba awụ ha abụọ awụ na. Akwa mmadụ pụta nọ. Enwere onye ka ịpụta na o ji exposition. Ihe this that abịa nne m ndị mmadụ na begegide exposition o wepụtara like this abịa sị hey n'ọkwa nwaanyị a mege the people na government interrupt. Nwaanyị na-awụ otu gị ịnọ na the government. You will take exposition ya. Agwaghị ndị olu zuru. Ọ nọ ga wepụta exposition na ebe the secret yazie mgbe ọ nọ ọ dị 15 years. Secret ya bịa fọfụta nke o mege ọ chọrọ ime ngozi expose. Ọ nọ no secret ya ara agba ya that is gift ya ọ chọrọ ịnwụ. Nne m hụ na onye nọ n'Europe before nọ na-atụ ụjọ. So iji gwa gị that na ama m ka m ga-esi ekwu ya egwu ekwe m ihe ọma dị gọọmenti imere ekwe mmụọ eburukwe m gawakwa n'aka nwaanyị akwa ekwe ihe gọọmenti
Off from anywhere can be regidosi.
Hey, God. Nne m anọkwa n'elu ya kwa mmadụ pụtasị that is the only thing o mere achieve 29th November na-edeclare ya that emekọta n'ụwa edeclare ya again 29 December. Anọkwa m one day kwa mmadụ apụtakwa na the 29 ahụ ọ dụrụ isi ya n'ọzi scam. Hey, nsukwu ụmụ Biafra bịa dekwekwanụ bịa George anụ bịa George kwanụ biko si ngwa tinye okwu gị na fọs na mfọsụ ya fọs kwuo ya ọsị mkpa na enwe onye fọsụ ya fọs na ya ahụ. Hey, bikonu gawanụ n'iru bikonu maka ihe ajụghị amawu onye nkwu gị I don't know why.
Onye amụma anyị abịawo Elijah onye amụma anyị abịawo.
Nwanyị ngwere isi ọcha ga-arụ ihe by force. Ọ ga-arụ ihe by force, I'm telling you. So ụmụnne m, ọ bụrụ na like this stream, biko hit the like button, please. Hit the like button from wherever you are watching from. Hit the like button, share this program for us, and continue to subscribe. If today is your first time you are joining any of our platforms, please go ahead to subscribe and turn your notification bell so that whenever we come live, you are going to be notified. Thank you so much, my people, as we continue this our celebration. So we are going to our brother now, Real Biafra TV. Everyone name take over. I Biafrans how you feel to be a USB citizen. Ndewo.
Yeah, I can that Simon. Can I wonder any more last? Not stand on the existing protocol and I can hear on. Abroma and I do go to government today. More than us in offending us, adult of our John one. One as an offending us, the other John Wabi. So now, Mama. Now, Buruburu. On that John Mad. So now, offending hastily. Offending how we trego. When you neke see no far hard because now we take off and no law. As it does get with an what a wine. The way you put off we see ya. Mother will matter with was no offending us, the idea, one who are on an open wall. Of all I John was so rebellion for. All have on that bribe. So one has how you have for all. Now, I want to come on issue of in your government here may grow on the criteria on issue of after declaration building a new country. That's United States of Biafra stand on the existing protocol on the template of the international global community referred to Geneva Convention 1949/1948, Article 10, paragraph 9 to 11. After declaration of a new country, on the template for a new country to build and get international recognition, they must maintain 18 criteria. 4 on the Montevideo Convention of 1933, 4 on the Geneva Convention 1948/1949. They will stand on the existing protocol of all the UN Charter and the Articles, and the 1978 Vienna Convention. What are those things? After the creation of a new country, you will build an embassy, register it as an organization, quote, Geneva Convention 1948-49, Article 5 and Article 6. After the creation of a new country, the government of a new country to prove effective work must register an embassy for a country where the government choose to have this embassy. This is number one criteria after the declaration of a new country. The question is, government in Biafra, do they achieve that? The answer is yes. And that's saying that this new country on this Geneva Convention, now they register as an organization in that country, waiting for official recognition of the new country. Prove there is an effective government. Number two, building your military on the international global stage. Building your military to fit on the level of the international global stage. Then you now go to Geneva, you now go to Vienna Convention 1978 / paragraph 11, 1 and 2 in brackets. A new country must have an international military that are protecting the border and the territory of the new country happen to be inside dispute. Our dispute is Nigeria government still occupying our territory right now. We are still in dispute to bring our take care of our full country and chase Nigeria away. This, I'm counting number two. Then number three, introducing a currency. Introducing a currency. Geneva Convention 1978-1979. Article 11/19A paragraph. A new country government must present the currency waiting for international recognition. That is number three. Then number four, I want you to count what the government has doing for you to know that they stand on the template that Ugo 247 is asking must to be a template of the international global community, not IPOB template, not autopilot template, not bridge template. This is after all what? Declaration of a new country. Things you will do to prove that you are getting ready. Now, the new country must build a wealthy international bank, register it as an organization in a country they choose to. Under that country, the bank will register as an organization. Number five, the new government must register all their members of the executive, financial secretary, information secretary, minister of affairs, minister of defense as an organization in a country that they choose to live. Once they are in the government in exile, the country was declared in exile, they must register all these things as an organization under a country like US, Canada. US, Canada is two countries that this Geneva Convention refer us to. The question I'm asking here again, our government, have they done all these things? The answer is what? Perfectly what? Yes. Then the same this new government of Biafra also on the Vienna Convention 1978, paragraph 9, B in bracket B said a new country that are lacking international recognition must to go into peaceful movement like diplomatic, political, legal, for gain and a well-recognized international recognition. A new country without armed struggle, the world peaceful see these two countries as a country that are going to maintain peace, integrity, and all the treaties of any other countries that are existing before them. That is why today we are no longer into armed struggle. We are no longer into woto. This achievement of the United States of Biafra. For you who is asking, what is the template? The template must be under the international community. I want to stop here, but let people to know that Biafra government stand on the international template criteria. Refer to Montevideo Convention 1933. What are the work? They must conduct election in the territory, despite the disputes in the new country territory. Government of Biafra, have they conduct election? Yes. Number one criteria of a new country, a permanent population, a divine territory, the 40 states that make up the list of Biafra. Number three, effective government, not on the paper, on the ground of the new country. That is why you have the governors in all the 40 states. That is why you have Biafra military under the government and all the self-defense that come up a new country. Then the same Montevideo Convention, capacity to enter into treaty and agreement and the world relationship with existing country. A declaration is a notification to the entire world that a new country has emerged, claim his sovereignty upon waiting for international recognition, like be a member of the UN and all what's known, e.g. Then Biafran people, after you have what government is doing, and all this Geneva Convention, Vienna Convention, UN Charter articles, and the Montevideo Convention and all the criteria, you ask yourself, is it not what the government of Biafra is doing? If you are what they are doing. So the government stand on what? On the legality of the international global community. We are there. Nobody will deny us. It takes Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu 1 year for him to get recognition from Africa. Maximum 1 year. In 1970, it takes him maximum 1 year before Ivory Coast, Tanzania, and others recognize him. And what you must know, if you are not existing country, no country will recognize you, because under this Montevideo Convention, act of recognition is a political means of interest of a country that want to recognize you. That all the members of UN has what? They are all having their own country, but coming into UN to control the affairs of the countries and rules and regulations on the existing template. So my people, you are government with all these charters, all these laws that control the world. Remember, Finland asked us, go and get Biafra through legal means. The government is getting it through legal means. That is why everything is going smoothly. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You have really done justice to this particular topic. So, my people, I really appreciate you, my brother. My people, if you have not liked this stream by this time, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead to like from wherever you are watching from. Like and share this program for us. Continue to subscribe, turning that notification bell so that whenever we come live, you are going to be notified by YouTube. Okay? Thank you so much, my people. So I want us to listen to this music, and then we are going to open the lines for our people to be calling in and with whatever they come with, and to talk to Biafrans. So let us play this music, and then we are going to...
Simon, before you go, let me read something out, because we are today on the mood of celebration.
Okay.
I want our people to know, under the international community, why this our first ever celebration of USD is very important, and why it's very sacrosanct.
Yes.
I want to play a voice that I want you to read, so it can sound, people can understand it. So please just give me that time. Some people are coming in, they can also be contributing on that, and we on the platform. So please, pardon me to do this, please. Please.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. What I'm playing is this, the question on research on the Geneva Convention, Article 19. The importance of declaration, the importance of celebration of independence first for the new country, their first ever celebration of the new country, independence. Why is it important in the under international global community? Why? Biafrans, please listen to this.
The first celebration of a new country's independence, even without international recognition, is extremely important to the international community, primarily because it serves as a powerful de facto demonstration of statehood and sovereignty. While the international community may withhold de jure legal recognition for political reasons, the celebration provides compelling evidence of the entity's effective control and the will of its people, which are fundamental factors in international law and diplomacy. International law and claim to statehood. The celebration acts as a key piece of factual evidence to support the new entity's claim that it meets the criteria for statehood, as generally outlined by the 1933 Montevideo Convention, even if the convention itself is not universally binding. Evidence of a government in control, the ability to plan, organize, and execute a large, complex national ceremony, demonstrates that a functional government with effective control over its territory exists. This is seen as fulfilling the requirement for a government capable of maintaining law and order, proof of a people. It showcases a unified populace celebrating a shared identity and political status, providing tangible evidence of a permanent population under the effective authority of the new state. Assertion of sovereignty. The public display of national symbols, flag, anthem, head of state government speeches, is a dramatic, formal assertion of independence and sovereignty to the world, demanding that other states acknowledge its political existence. Diplomatic and political signal. The celebration is a carefully orchestrated political message directed at potential recognizing states and intergovernmental organizations like the UN. Forcing the issue. By making a massive, globally publicized political statement, the new entity forces the international community to take notice and confront the reality of its existence. It moves the issue from a theoretical debate to an undeniable fact on the ground. Testing diplomatic waters. The new government uses the celebration to invite unofficial observers or low-level representatives from foreign nations. The attendance, or lack thereof, by foreign diplomats is a crucial, early indicator of which nations may be willing to grant future recognition or establish informal ties. Media and public opinion. The global media coverage generated by the event is vital for winning the hearts and minds battle, potentially building international public sympathy and putting pressure on foreign governments to grant recognition. In summary, for the international community, the first independence celebration is important because it is a litmus test of the new state's internal stability and political will, providing the visible and undeniable facts that will inform diplomatic policy, regardless of whether formal recognition is immediately granted.
Thank you. That is it. I hope we all listen to it carefully. Do we need to explain more on it? Do we need?
I think they listen to it, and I think it's okay. They listen to it. Yes.
So when we come back, then we may explain more.
Yes. So let us play this music and have a little break, and then we are going to open the lines for our people to start calling in. Okay. I kwuru today onye ji abụ ya were bịawa, onye ji ekpere ya were bịawa, nke ọbụla iji ọ wee ekele were bịawa. Okay, we are celebrating. So let us go there and bring this music for our people to enjoy. Ndewonu. If you know you have not liked the stream, please go ahead to like it, to subscribe. If today is your first time of seeing our platforms, please go ahead, like and share the program for us, and they will.
Biafra, Galile, Liwogan, Galile, Biafra, Galile, Liwogan, Galile, Iye Chukudele. dege melele. Iye chuku kule kuge melele. Kama mama enu nana gabiga. Kama mama enu nana gabiga. Ndilo galaleti. Osimi galaleti. Ndigo heavyweight. All over the world we pull weight. Even though you go jubilate. If you know like freedom, you they hate. Know that we be the chosen one. We don't need it all, but they all need us. Anya choro pa mana ha chola anya cho. Amana we even in the one cho. Nilo galaleti. Yeah man. Oh see me galaleti. Ndibo heavyweight. You didn't lie, made a killer. You didn't lie, made a locker. And they try, made a killer. And they try, made a stopper. Biafra, Galile. Ndibo, Galile. Biafra, Galile. Ndibo, Galile. Biafra, Galile.
That is wonderful. Are we having issue or what? Okay. We cannot hear you. Your voice, okay, you're on call. You're on call, okay. She's on call. Please, elevate energy. Are you the one that made this comment, or somebody who's that person?
Yeah.
There's a comment
okay,
that I just seen.
Okay. So my people, we are celebrating, so we need to make you happy. We are celebrating, so let us listen to this.
Chukuma. What is this? Chukuma.
Freedom. The movement of the people. By the people. And for the people. The book of Exodus, chapter 10, verse 9. Moses answered, we will go with our young and old, with our sons and our daughters, and our lovely ones across the globe. Exodus is Biafra. Exodus is the movement of the people. Exodus is Biafra. Exodus is the movement of the people. I should never know, never tell. This is the way I'm living in. I say you never know, you never tell. This is the way I'm living in. I can't live man, dead man will not know. I put every record spread right now. But it's written, people of God. It is God wishes that we come together all over the world. It is God wishes that we come together all over the world. The movement of the people, by the people, and for the people. And we are marching on the movement of the people with peace and love and equity. So tell me now, what you looking for? So tell me now, what you looking for? Let me know your mind. Let's roll our hearts together. Cause united we stand one family. Exodus is Biafra. Exodus is the movement of the people. Exodus is Biafra. Exodus is the movement of the people. Exodus is Biafra. Exodus is the movement of the people. I don't know what you know, what I know, you don't know. It's like a this, it's like a that. I'm building my faith stronger. I never give up, no doubting. I see it coming true. It's no more doubting. What you believe, we work for you. What you desire, speak your result. No more doubting. What you believe, we work for you. What you desire, speak your result. No more doubting. No more doubting. No more doubting. Exodus is Biafra. Exodus is the movement of the people. Exodus is Biafra. Exodus is the movement of the people.
Connor Stone on the beat.
Wow, 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 wow. This is awesome. This is awesome. Biafra's got talent.
We are moving. We have everything. We have everything.
Talent. Biafra's got talent.
Honestly.
Biafra's got talent, my people. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Ihe ọbụla ị na-achọ, ị ga-afụ ya na Biafra. That is why o ji wee bụrụ the land that is flowing with milk and honey. I'm telling you. Ihe ọbụla ị na-achọ, you will see it in Biafra land. Obodo Chineke gọziri. Obodo Chineke gọziri. Anyị na-ekene Chineke na o mere anyị ka anyị bụrụ ụmụ Biafra. Ya ka ọ ga-eji abụ ndị ọjọọ niile a na-agba njem nwere onwe anyị mgba. Onye ọbụla na-agba njem nwere onwe a mgba. Onye ahụ ọ ga-eji ala wee zere mmiri. Onye ọbụla na-agba njem nwere onwe a mgba. Onye ahụ ga-eji ala wee zere mmiri ka m na-agwa unu eziokwu m. Ha ga-eji ala wee zere mmiri ebe ọbụla ha si.
Ise. Or they go click or click or something like that.
Mazikai, please, can you continue from there, Mazikai? Please.
All right. We are waiting for her to join us. Just like she was saying, having an enemy is not a surprise thing to me, because I know that every good thing comes with challenges. So Biafrans as a government, oh, she's back. As government, you encounter this kind of thing. But the only thing I want us to know is that our prayer should be that let the enemies not outnumber the good people. You understand? So yes. having an enemy is normal thing. So you don't need to feel sad or panic because one or two heads are making some cricket noise. So the noise is normal thing. Without that noise, or they get stagnant. But let it not overwhelm you. When the noise comes, learn how to manage it very, very well. And I love what you said. I love what you said at that time. You said that which is very, 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 very okay. Thank you. Let's continue from where you stop. Let me not take away from you.
Okay, we are just the line is open. So as you can see, the line is there. It's open right now. The numbers are there. The number is there to call in. So call in and bring it in. To create our government. Oh yeah, the line is open, my people. The line is open. So call in and celebrate with us. Ndewo.
Yeah, as you're watching, can we be saying one or two things once
yes,
they come?
Yes. Yes, yes,
okay.
Yes. So if you call in 1 minute, if you call in, we're going to stop and answer you, okay? Just call in and then we are going to stop and answer you, listen to you, and then we'll continue again.
Yeah. So, Ada Simon, I want Biafrans to understand the importance of what we're about to celebrate. And the level of negging in help with Trano people. Na mother equania behind nwa. My name is one power bunda na hapua. I say one ebale while I one neg of ma. The importance of what we are about to do on 29 will have many value to us and to those that are watching us or those who want to give us recognition. The first celebration of a new country independence, even without international recognition, like those who told you, oh, you must go and get your land 90% before you get recognition. It's a pure lie. Under the international law, it's not happening anywhere. Once you stand on the mandate of your declaration without falling back, as the world are watching how you are handling your internal affairs and how you are moving and the role you are playing to gain what recognition, they are watching you peacefully, carefully. That all the things you do is what with the attention of them. So on this particular issue of our celebration of independence, please, anywhere you are in Biafra land, there is a reason why you will sit at home. Because of our time, I might not go into details, but in my morning program, we will go into details of what they want us and what that particular sit at home on the 29th of 25th of November 2025, what is going to signal or send to the world. Remember, the first celebration of a new country, independence, even without international recognition, is extremely important to the international community. International world community, that what is very important to them, to watch what the government, the address, the line, those they invited to address the issue of Biafran people, they are all inclusive or singing, because it's a service serve as a powerful de facto demonstration of the stakehold and the sovereignty. While the international community may withhold the due legal recognition for a political reason, the celebration provides compelling evidence. This our independence celebration is compelling with evidence of that there is effective control and the will of its people. Now, USB government now had in control. Please help the Biafran government to prove to the world, they say what to the international global community. Who are those that is a global community? They are people of Canada, they are people of Russia, they are people of America, they are people of Burkina Faso, they are South Africa. These are those watching when it's come to the international global community, because all of them are into agreement with the UN Charter, with all the Montevideo Convention. They believe in that. That is why they call all of them international global community. Their all eyes is on it. And remember, when a child never play, it can never be serious. Think of Mazin Nande Kano agitation and Obatobie and the way we are. You will see how serious it is. It is the first time in Africa we gather in South Africa Summit this month, last 2 weeks ago, they talk about that Biafra matter is no longer internal affair of one Nigeria. Because of what? The importance of our declaration and the documents on the hand of the government right now that they are sending to all Africans to know that Biafra has been really declared once again. Then look at Adi Burkina Faso. You see Biafra government right in there. You also draw attention to the international global community in Africa to discuss about what Biafra issue that is no longer Nigeria internal affair. That is what it's called, simply means that the celebration provides a compelling evidence of the entity, effective control of the new government that lacks international recognition. Our declaration, our independence, coming on 29, my people, it is a fundamental right of Biafran people to prove to the world how prepared you are to have your own country. A declaration and independence is a purely act to prove that a new country stands on the mandate of the sovereignty and effective control of its people in general. Under what? Diplomacy. These are why you must celebrate. These are why you have to sit at home. These are why you must listen to the government. There is where we are going. Only one thing is missing. What is that thing? International recognition that British, moreover, London blocked in 1967-1970. They blocked Canada, London. They blocked America. They blocked Sweden. They blocked Austria. Do not Austria come for their recognition. For them to ask to cease fire, London chased them away. This our independence celebration on November 20, 2025. The world are watching peacefully. So please, try to be on the side of the government. Take instructions and pay attention into what we are doing. On the international law and the claim of stakeholders, the celebration acts as a key piece of evidence to support the new entity claim that it meets the criteria to stakehold as generally outlined by the 93 Montevideo Convention. That is where all these things outlined to of building a new nation. Our first ever celebration of our independence is another area of attention of the international global community, like even the bodies of the UN, who should know that the body of the UN are 5 people. Who are those people? You have America, you have Russia, you have China, you have France, and this evil UK. There are 5. They are watching. And our government might like to bring people that are from the lowest countries to come and talk to us. They are all inclusive. So please, my dear friend people, please support this particular words, our celebration. And that is why I am happy that I'm about to celebrate our first 1 year of Biafra existing after losing it in 1967 to 1970. Please, my people, we must adhere to instruction and prove to the world that that the word of Mazin has been fulfilled, that we must prepare ourselves more than the way we are before by sitting at home in the homeland. Don't listen to any other shenanigan. They are 419ers. They are not here for Biafra for you. Because let me give one example. You have a child in your house who you want to send to school. You haven't sent to school. And then you have a 3 children in your house. Only one is passing class. The other 2 are repeating class every blessed year. Are you going to continuously pay school fees every term? All these people. Now, when they repeated the class, you go to parents now, CRC nuku, now kunya adapakati ngom nuku, now kunya onye mutenegu nuku, ina kunya na eka exchange no kwana agitation again. Alafu kwana agitation. Eba na kwana ambu, na nwa hizi jira akwụkwọ agbala first. gụchaa praịmarị, gụọ sekọndịrị, gụọ university, ọkwa master degree ka ọ na-eji ime, ọkwa ebe a ka nọ right n'ụmụ Biafra. So biko nụ kwanyesi ike na gọọmenti ya na Biafra homeland. Ụmụnne m, sit at home, prove to the world how prepared you are, or how hungry or how tasty you are about Biafra. Thank you so much. I stop here for now.
Ndewo, my brother. Please, Ada Simon, there's somebody on the comment section called Cecilia.
Okay.
Cecilia said,
please, everybody. This is Madam Origin. Please. I have, today is Thanksgiving. I took excuse from my family. They've been patient with me. So please, all do. I greet everybody. Sorry if I'm jumping in. I've been calling.
No, go ahead.
Yes, I've been calling. I did look like the phone, something went wrong.
Yes, I've seen it now. The children put it in the silent mode. I've activated it now.
Okay.
So it's on now. Go ahead.
Okay, no worries. I greet everybody. I wanted to make sure I say hello to all the media warriors. I am just excited, and I thank you so much for setting this up so that we can look at our media warriors all in one platform. Today is America's Thanksgiving. In fact, my house is full. Everybody is waiting for me so we can do our normal Thanksgiving prayers and stuff. And coincidentally, today we are celebrating our independence, which is coming in 2 days' time. I want to use this opportunity to thank our Ohamadike Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for what he has done for us as Biafrans. I want to thank Prime Minister Simon Ekpa for what they have done for us. Without them, we won't be talking about this freedom. The people we trusted, the people that are eating the money, the people that are being paid 30 million to 50 million a month, they have all disappointed us. But these gentlemen stood with God to save us. Stood with God with all the persecution, with everything. They have put in everything. And I want to thank God for the woman, the living legend, the mother of Biafra, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. We want to thank you today. You have done marvel. I want to, I have a scripture I want to read for her. And that scripture is in Judges chapter 5, verse 6 of it says, in the day of Shamgar, the son of Anath, in the days of Jael, the highways were unoccupied, and the travelers walked through the byways. The inhabitants of the villages ceased. If you look at this scripture, you think they are talking about Nigeria or talking about Biafra land. And the villages ceased, Israel, everywhere.
Hello?
And it says, and I, Deborah, arose. I arose a mother in Israel. So Dr. Ngozi Orabueze arose a mother for Biafra. And today, we are celebrating this independence.
Madam Origin.
So I want to use this opportunity to thank her, to thank every cabinet member, to thank all those that have obeyed, all these gallant men and women that obeyed to take through the process of going through the necessary pathway to become security officials in Biafra land to keep our land safety. I salute all of you today. I say thank you. And my wonderful, look, our media warriors, I have a name for you, the media pichichis. From Ada Simon to Biafra Exodus TV to Humble Lion, Real Biafra TV, Kelena TV, and my honorable Kai Reports. You always allow me to come in. You, whenever I bought, sometimes I'm angry, sometimes I'm, however, you all, there's never a time I come to make, whether it is reasonable, because all we know is just to shout, to say something, whether it makes sense or not, but we just want the world to hear us. And you people provided these platforms for us to shout. And I just want to thank you all today. I appreciate all of you. Please keep it up. Let's continue to do what we are doing. We have a government. This government is Dachi. This government is real. This government it has already brought Biafra independence, it has brought the nation to us. It's just for us to continue to support them. So thank you. And by the way, you look peachy today. You look gorgeous.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I leave it there. Let me join my family for the Thanksgiving.
Okay, thank you so much, Madam Origins. Ndewo. So the last are ready now.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I want to address just a few minutes, please. This lady,
yes, go ahead.
The woman that we brought her comment before, Cecilia. Cecilia, I think. Cecilia Lilia, or whatever you call yourself. Can you bring that comment back? Okay, I can see it now. He said, mad people everywhere, independence under the occupier of Nigerian government. You see, the problem I have with some of our people is this.
Go ahead.
We have a caller.
Yes. Okay, I should pick it.
No, pick it.
Okay. Hello. Are you there? Yeah, go ahead.
Just remove the comment.
Ndewo, gazikwara gị. Ndewo.
You can remove the comments.
Okay. Ndewo.
When I can acquire my brother Kai report, Biafra Exodus, ABC, KUSB, our brother Biafra TV. Ndị Igbo na-atụ inu si ezu ka ahụ erutere atọtụ oge ga ana ọnwa nọ n'ime ya bụ ọnwa ọṅụ ka nọ n'ime ya, we must keep celebrating.
Yes, so
because we Biafrans, we are the most luckiest people on planet Earth. No wonder our leader Mazdani Kanu said God promised him Biafra, that Biafra is a divine project from the Chukwu Gabiama. So when you look at the way things are going, even on the tight corner, Chukwu Gabiama will also make name to himself. Oga ha na-eche na ayadago maọbụ na ihe niile anyị na-eme na ha ejile somebody within us maybe see ya or even a task for we to, in fact, a kind of an exam to upgrade to the higher class.
Yes, so
each stage ya ruru I will go in stage has on your we are escalating. We are escalating to a honestly, we are blessed, more special the woman God used to give birth, to rebuild Biafra, Kidra, and Biafra have come to stay. We are already in Biafra. It's something our PM will always say, that many people will be in Biafra, they will be asking, when is this Biafra coming? Biafra now, Biafra is here.
But I have an idea.
Biafra is here. But people don't know.
They don't have an idea.
When you see them, when you see the mediocre, they will be asking you, hey, you are claiming USB. Who knows you? Nobody have recognized you. Just like what the criminal Eggman. May I borrow Mazi Kai report? That's no Mazi Akwa. Mazi Akwa went to someone's platform and were saying that some people are claiming USB. That USB is paradise. I was like, are you serious? Amaka, because ihe ọbụla na-eme ihe ọbụla ije ya si aga Chukwu mazuru ya maka ọ bụrụ na ị na-anya ọ bụ ịbụrụ mma ị na-eku ume ị na-azụ ụkwụ naanị na-eri ihe ọkụ ekuru ume nke a Chineke nyere anyị na-eso ije nwere onwe ya. Up to this moment you are still doubting that aka Chineke adịghị na ihe nwere onwe ya. Number one, it is either you are not telling yourself the truth, or you are living in denial, or you are an agent. People that is even fighting against USB. Note, we have gone past the era of I can agitate. But many people still think that we are still in that level. Well, I won't blame them anyway, because that is I would say a kind of a danger of long agitation. Makana kwa mbọsị ka ezi na-aghọrị ndị ọ na-achị na-etili na-agụ na-agụ agbapụta nwa ya ga-aga afọ, mana mbọsị agụ pụtaziri ochie na-aga asọ rapịa na ọka o si eti. Ours is something that if you really come out to make sure we get this freedom, and Ikiaka no big see yes, no here again, because for me, and I don't care who is doing it. Once you also be with my father, if you are not doing the right thing, I will leave you. I don't even come to your platform. Maybe I no, I can't do that.
Exactly.
But thank God for the people God brought out for this particular time. All the squads, all the independent idea that is supporting USB are the people God just singled out and ordain them and wait for the appointed time. When the time comes, God just unleashed each and every one of them. And it's a kind of, once God is doing it, all with three to match, all with the three, those people to match the existing one. That's position here. Oh my God.
Okay.
Please off your mic. My voice is coming out. Triple M, continue. Triple M, continue.
Are you sure our sister mute to higher mute? Check one moment to the from her side.
Nadia.
I know you want me to.
And Simon, can you hear us?
You muted triple M. You can mute you from your own side.
Okay. So my people, okay, somebody called. The link in our comment section. The link of this program on our comment section. Link, but you are free to use this link here. Opening the link on the comment section. You can also use the link to come into the program. Okay. Hello. Ndewo nna.
Okay.
Go ahead. You have the mic now.
Okay.
Ofuma.
Okay. Ndewo. Good evening from here. Good evening, man. Good evening.
Ndewo.
Okay. Akwebi isi onye amụma. Ọba mụ humble onye amụma ya bịago humble onye amụma. Humble ya ekene m gị. Ama m nye m onye na-ekwu na nwanne echi ka ọ dị.
Onye isi ọfịa.
Nwanne nwanyị kwole.
Joya mo so ke yo na village hall.
So.
So ke yo.
Thank you so much, brother.
Okay, I'm special there. I'm special. See, 2 minutes each, please, my people. Okay, somebody there in the comment section. 2 minutes for everybody. Okay, go ahead because many people want to call in. There you
Okay, so Adam.
Go ahead.
Okay. So this joint program, man,
yeah.
You did this, but I thank God that you really did it.
Oh, time factor. Ọ dịghị easy. Ọ dịghị easy ịkpọkọta onye ọbụla because time onye ọbụla dị iche ịghọtago. Ọ dịghị easy. Mana we thank God for today that we really made it. We really made it. Yes, we made it.
Yes, you all. Thank you. My president, my prophet, and my leader, Mohamadike Mazin Namdekano. Chukwukabiaman Nagozia. Chukwukabiaman Onyeria. Ebobono Hamadike Zoroba. Ebobono Zoroba, everybody are royal to him. Anywhere he stepped his foot. You can imagine they send him to Sokoto for maybe Kagaham or Yaga Meroya or something like that. But the prison, even the prison guard, they humble themselves before Mohamadike. My prime minister, the dragon over 2 p.m. Kachi kwekara ma agozie nya nonyere nye nkasi obi ebe ono were chitekwazi nne m Biafra aga nwanyị Dr. Nkora Beze na his cabinet azụ ka Chineke gba ha niile maka ọrụ ọma nke ha na-arụ na-echetekwa all genuine Biafrans asị ka Chineke gọzie niile n'ebe ọ bụla ya na ndị nọ na homeland ndị nọ ebe dị iche iche ka Chineke gọzichaa niile.
Ise.
N'ofu na Chukwuka Biama.
Ise.
Ana ga wani maka our independence na abịa.
Yes.
Maka ncheta maka ime ncheta mbasa enwetere nwere onwe anyị. Chineke ga-eme ọ ga-abụ ihe ziri ọ ga-abụ ihe ya ga nke ọma.
Ise.
Ọ ga-abụ ihe ga-ebugo. Ọ ga-abụ ihe ga-abụ mechaa. Mba ụwa niile ga na-ahụ mba ụwa niile ga-eme ka ya mata yes na anyị ga-eme ka mba ụwa mata na yes na ya adịbụ njikere anyị dị njikere from Bosembo.
Yes.
Ọ ga-abụ ihe ga-emepe anya ndị mmadụ. Ọ ga-abụ ihe ga-emepe anya the world. So ọ ga-abụ nnukwu ọṅụ. Ọ ga-abụ ihe ọṅụ. I'll be home. And I think I can go mine. I want to go. I am a man. You can over no Dr. Mozart. Don't know where we would have been today.
That's so.
See? But we thank God.
Yes, 2 minutes. When
they think about removing the government, yeah, you will not do that. Man, I shift for that. Machine can happen there. I want to be a kind of movement here. Would I want to movement here? No, boy, spirit. Man, Oga gain your options. Man, Oga the name. I never knew behind you. Man, after now you cook a year president. Man, from now you put to was Rike to do from one to over to be from over to be to Agumwan, which know about the final push. A buying on a final speech and on and we are moving. The zoo is foreign.
You say?
We all should remember our onion does that now revolution. Yes, now revolution maybe revolution in Brunei Africa for the Burkina Faso. Is that not true? I'll put him in today. I'll brought him in today. From there now, recently, yesterday, another country not close to where I am. They invade the government house, they overthrow the president, all the evil democracy, all the evil colonization in Gavan in Africa. What we do from Burkina Faso now, Aga, all the whole Africa. All the whole Africa. I defeat from the white people. White people want to enslave us forever. Actually, I will enslave us forever. Have to go. No Biafra behavior. Also not the coming of Biafra behavior. Anything colonization Ghana Africa. Market. Our own do here.
2 minutes is so. Now 2 minutes is duo.
Okay, I'm
up. Yes, many people are equal. Yes, many people are equal. We are celebrating today. Many people want to talk.
Yes. Okay, and there one. I'm not going to
okay, and there one.
I have a lot to say about
Thank you so much. Thank you, Chidebe. There were you go again now. Our sister M special. Yeah, our sister M special. You know whenever I got so she need to come in. Our M special, you can call in now. Call in now, please. Because you're not on our sister Papa, I will call you back, okay? When you're not on, I will call you back, please. Don't be offended, okay? Hello? Yeah. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. I'm not the house before, but it's a special.
Okay. I heard.
Congratulations.
I heard. Congratulations. Yes. When you're not on, when did I will call you back? Go ahead.
I got Simon Epa. God bless you.
He said,
our wonderful media men. I say, may the grace of God upon you continue to grow. All of you. At Simon Epa, in the mood. I just want to tell our people calling in, we are not calling in to talk. Today is not to talk.
Yes.
You're either calling to pray or you call in to sing.
To sing.
It's for our team.
Yes,
I think organize.
Yes.
So we have to be strict on that. Today is celebration.
Yes.
When I want to say, a celebration a bit of that.
Yes.
Now celebration of our celebration of the Independence Day. So we all 2 minutes is enough because sometimes in a studio, which you want,
yes,
I have every weekend. So we will put all these things into consideration,
yes,
and help them also.
Yes.
I thank all of you for that is gather together. It's not easy. The main thing I question about the gathering of the
network. Our sister Elsa, are you there? Okay, I'm going with EJ minister. Okay, EJ minister, what about Akwarangina? What about Akwarangina this thing? EJ minister, what about Akwarangina na studio? How the network here the bad? Network the bad. Please call back. How about Akwarangina this thing? Oh yeah, we EJ minister. How about Akwarangina this thing na this thing here? Network here the bad. Okay, let us call this our sister. When this in okay, please call back. Let us call this our. Okay. Hello.
Hello, that's Simon. Good evening.
Good evening. There,
There, my sister. Because they like I'm not born. Na program una. Ana make a little name kono sabamba.
There.
Ana make a little. I report a little humble. A little tunu shinine. She make everything okay. The ma. Udo Jehovah kusin and kena hadron nina.
Ise.
Because all my water can have sagana. I don't know now. I'm na Holland. Nembere no beroma. Otuno shiri na kwado ngozi orabeza. Odi. Ama so aduru ni na mma.
Ise.
Anyị na-agụ na fond ogologo bụ ahụ isi ike. Ebe onu ni tiri aka ihe ji agụ ihe ji azụ ụmụ aga akọ na nkọ.
Ise.
Onwe anya ndị iro aga afunu. Anya ndị Nigeria aga afunu.
Ise.
Ana masị ebe onu tiri aka n'ije ebe niile unu nọ. Aja ana si na ala Igbo ga na-esi unu.
Ise.
Na-agosi unu.
Ise.
Ọhịa ga na-agosi unu, ụzọ ga na-agosi unu. Otu unu jiri gbakọ aka si na ihe a ga-eme anyị ala Igbo. Ana m ọsọ dịrị na mma.
Ise.
Ihe mere is that otu ihe si agaga nọ. Ọ bụ eziokwu ala Igbo dị very very calm because ihe mere ni gbagwejuru ya otu ndị Nigeria siri mee ya, but ọkwa na ndị Igbo amaghị ha na-eme. We thank anyị na-ekele every Igbo man, both home and abroad. But every reaction they go they can for now. And everyone can name. But you don't think that now. Everyone will go to a prison. Ajana, gonna protect here.
He said,
Mono's gonna protect. I protect Punua.
He said,
this time I'm what time of Ogunogo. Oh, the one time for Eba Saga. This time for time of spiritual intervention from God, from Ajan. From here in Nagaribu, Ken Nagaribus, and Noble. Ogadrun Nam.
He said,
I am soon able to see I can't Gasrun.
He said,
Otono Sini Ragay man. I want to have one on the can of Buchi, or someone about Buchi. Then we must come out.
Exactly.
Must. Because that reflection anyway. Me myself, how much Shalom watching a cannot food. I'm not going to program.
Oh.
Shalom watching a we have that rejoice when I'm more emotionally come to pass.
He said,
that rejoice when I'm more emotionally come to pass. Because to put to look at because most I need those who land them with Comezo Tahoshime. Now, I'm not the canon of prison, nominate any now.
Yes.
Then in a church, then in the name, Yakatanina Haneme, and after having me. But only him with Daniel and Debo. Then I'll write off na grant, na everything. Now people like Ken Guragoha and Udeleha. All those people, oh, Rebecca. We go there here, how many of them name here Akacha for many months. And when he report him in the Bahano, and I'm asking more on a label. The woman will go have work, Nako Gamba, then I grant you in a label. And I'm asking why I don't want to tell why I get to make it there.
He said,
Oh, make it there, and I'm making a match.
he said,
Okay, could you make it there? Both spiritual and physical.
he said,
Church Ebendas to make it there.
he said,
because they go too much.
Yes.
I'm not just an underground. They have a good Asile we can shiri me ko ha ko na ho meto ha gbagbo me dance ko ra ha ka no so this rubbish ha na maga he na me we have many things to tackle here say ya chebe kan ge ura ha o chebe ku tele so many of them they can aba they can maybe ha na me mande wo ko mande wa say ko ra ha ka no so say no do go ke wannem ese ba ko pe amaka shi ba ko pe go di ha ya kamata na ihe na me we don't talk. Anya go loku no loku ala. Ndị chekwo ndị egede ndị akwa ekwo achọghị ịnụ si chekwara ha aka n'ọsọ ka mata na ha na ọ nwere no go siri dị. Ana masị Chineke ebiri eluigwe. Ya wee kusiri nke ndị agha. Gozie unu niile ndị nke na-eme ndị na-akwado ngozi ọra bụ eze aja nnukwu. Ndị na-eme ihe niile na-eme ka ọ na-aga. Ana masị ala duru na mma na keduru na mma duru na mma na mma na mma.
Ndewo.
Chineke ji adị ebube. Ọma niile ndị Igbo ya adị ebube. Ọma niile je ala ndị Igbo ya adị ebube. Ọma niile na-eme n'ụwa si eme unu. Ihe unu ji akụta ọhụrụ ga-ere ọ ga-akụ unu. Ọ ga-adụrụ na mma. Eke ndụ mmadụ kụrụ na mma na afọ. Ụmụnna na ngwọ. Ya gazie eru na ọkọ ha nọ. Ọfụ ka ga ọnụ na obi nna na-agụrụ n'ofe a.
Wow. Ndewo. Ndewo. Ya dịkwara gị na mma. Ndewo. Daalụ. Ise. Bye bye. So our brother, our sister, M Special, let's call her back. I don't know, her this thing, her network was giving her a problem. Let me see whether it's okay now. Hello, Nne.
Hello, my dear sister.
Your network was giving you a headache. I am from your ear.
Okay. You know, I'm a bomb cut off.
Okay, I'm only going to catch up with you before a quarter.
Okay.
Ego akịchọ ibido before a quarter.
Go on. Onye gbakọrọ dị. Achọ m iwe time.
Ndewo.
Onye kpọ ya just ya be ekpere ma ya gụọ egwu.
Yes. Yes, ikpe ekpere oyigo egwu. Ikpe ekpere oyigo egwu. Yes. Yes.
Okwu nọrọ ha nwa n'onwe ha ikwu. Anyị nwa n'onwe anyị kpọ ihe. Anyị agụọ egwu ọ anyị ikpe ekpere briefly, you know, so that echi wọrọ.
Yes.
So, my dear sister, thank you so much. Chineke gozi unu niile. Agaghị m ebido kpọwa ahụ onye ọbụla mara na God knows the best.
Yes.
And God has given us the best. Even as the best is yet to be seen. So, anyị emeriela. Let me sing my song. I don't want to take time. Asị m ihe a wee egwu m na-agụ egwu ụwa m, in fact. Bed ọbụla nkana ma m pere mpe a na-enye m special time ka m gụọ dis egwu onye ọbụla ma m ma agụbe ya baịbụl emechebe asị hapụ ka ali ka ọ gụọ dis one afọ na ya ka ọ gụọ egwu ya because ma agụbe ya ebechakwa ihe niile a na-ekpe ma agụbe egwu obibe for my childhood a na-akọrọ m dis story so mgbe ọbụla m celebrate ha ụmụnne m ma mma ga-akpọ m ebe ọbụla gọrọ m egwu n'isi ụtụtụ before ma gụọ asị egwu birthday gị because mma m kọrọ anyị dis story. So now I want to sing it.
Go ahead.
My very first national birthday. Ke Chineke mere ka anyị nọ n'ala ndị dị ndụ. And that was a very simple song. Onye ọbụla mee. And I'll sing. Bulie ya elu. Bulie ya elu. Jehova kacha ihe niile elu. Chinamdi kachasị mmadụ niile. Chi Simon kachasị mmadụ niile elu. Chi DPM kachasị mmadụ niile TUSB kachasị mmadụ niile, ụmụnne m bulie ya elu. Jehova kachasị ihe niile elu, Chukwu okike kachasị mmadụ elu. I will leave it here. So, anyị nọ ibuli Chineke elu n'ihe o mere anyị. Ndị nọ n'ụlọ, onye na-asị na ndị Biafra ama na Biafra abịala, majority 90% of Biafrans mana Biafra abịala.
Exactly.
You want to know, watch the land, Biafra, and watch how the people embraced it. Watch what happened in Anambra State on the 4th of November. People knows. These few no, they want to be where they want to be. They have answered their name, mediocres. They are the few. We cannot use them to cover all the millions. Millions knew and has embraced their mandate. Kaya made this mistake. And they're not going to run the media anymore as we celebrate this 1 year. Beacon. After this celebration, let us focus on moving forward. I say, I'm not going to answer small more job, but I'm going to bury their picture issue on our screen so that we will not be validating them. Onye will happen. You have there as onye with the channel. Get a highlight there on it. We'll call in and say something about it. Onye watch I will not be deliberating them like we do. We will give them their level so that we move forward. Because when we continue to show their picture, like you can't Google all this nonsense, I am not validated. But if we don't show their picture and we give them the little this thing, very handy, so thank you so much. Our media, thank you. They never see this day coming. And Saturday and tomorrow also, that will be weekend. We will be greater. At that time, Chineke God all of you there for your time. Chineke God ya bụ n'ome unu gara ahụ nke ọma unu ga-eji ọrụ Chineke ga-enye unu ike biko na onye kpọọ ya mee ya brief consider them that they will go to work and we also will go to work everybody ka mee ya brief echi Friday I better you will go to church because that I don't mind I need on at the same time zone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Happy Independence Day in advance, my sweet people. I love you all.
Ndewo daalụ. Hello? Hello?
Happy birthday, Biafra Nation.
I wish you the same. Yes, we are hearing you. Ndewo.
Adi wo ekene kenekwe ndị otu niile ma kai ma Exodus ma Biafra TV na ndị ọzọ bụ ndị Biafra gọọmenti. N'izuzu mbụ achọrọ m ikwute okwu aka mana nwere okwu chọrọ ka m tụrụ baya maka ndị baya mara ife. Ndị ogbu ọbara n'obodo zoo ọ bụ ihe anyị na-azọ ka anyị na ha nwa na-azọ. Anyị bụ ụzọ anyị wetakwa nke anyị jide n'aka. Ihe nwa na-azọ bụ ka nwa obodo ebe ya bụ ebe anyị na-akụ isi ala achọ ihe ọzọ ya aka na-azọ. Na ọ bụ ọbara ike pụtara n'ikpe anya mmiri na-apụ m n'anya ike anya mmiri na-apụ n'anya na o ji okwu na-agwa ndị anyị okwu ndị anyị n'ọrụ ka nwaanyị maka ọnụ ebe ha jie so mgbawa na-aba bụ ndị anyị okwu na-agwa ndị anyị ndị ogbu ọbala agwa ndị zuu na ha na ndị zuu na-negotiate na-akpa nkata ha na-egbukwe mmadụ na-ekidnapụ mmadụ mana zoo gọọmenti na-negotiate with them. They have never attempted to negotiate with us. Okay, again, because nsogbu ndị anyị na anyị nọ n'ụsọ nwaanyị ọbụla be anyị ndị ogbu ọbala ekwu ya na mbụ had a 20 groups like that. 20 groups upper the government that the government Korea. The 20 groups but they don't fight each other. Because how much of that caliphate can also. I want now as a Biafra to talk about our first 2 days to go after independence. Getting the language as well within ourselves, behind Funaka. And now the can Prime Minister put that do Biafra Naka or walk around walking around well. Well, not all the action I want to do. because in the time they are applying for never. But EPA, they are close. So we have just so EPA, Prime Minister, EPA, they are close. If we get to table. And over the same divine, the swing, the getting, but I have them. But in the National, it's a soccer problem. Kapuna, on Western world. You have a solution and a good idea. Actually, it's not about the church, but they don't care about that. Solution and the idea. So, Dubai, Nalikano, and the EPA, the action I take you brought to the zoo to table. Because that was the Prime Minister at that moment. And all the close to people at the table. Governor Ban did those here. So, my work can be no. But I'm sorry, Africa. Okay, the best you could be also the eco. So, Mama, Biafra, Adukayana, Kamnaya blog, yeah. You couldn't handle even a new mother, but that's when they send out the coffee. And they get, I'm not one. They're going to jump up on the Jukuniana. I need to Hamadika to go DM. And Dr. Kojukuna Ini. You understand? So they are all cowards. We only look at the coward. And I bet the government, they are doing fine so far. So when I am to you, put on you with Biafra now. And this about 1 year, the anniversary. Important Hamadika, never. No, now what action? Because all the terrorists have bring their government to table and then they negotiate $100 million of naira the dollar. We have never made that shake them have it. But that goes PM, as I said, PM action man. How the template of Narico okay under 1 year? It's a template of Robin like now. So when you're not only just not pay don't solve problem. We are lion. One after lion, and Krobanacha, and do and you're going to elite lion the Kabibu. It's a very shuffle thing. So, you go, Mamma, Biafra Bikono, happily, Malama, Mokum Nambedabo, Nampota Hamadika, Laki and do the action I want to go. You brought to do zoo to table because if you don't come to table, nothing. Because you know, that's what's wrong. What so people have to equal wrong. Because in this church, the agent for we had in the White House. The whole that comes with nobody measure for Biafra, only the measure somebody put my hand. But all that I'm not because of that estate. They will pass something in Congress. So nobody can fool nobody. So we have not got to that estate, That's not what they so actually it is the Biafra to Ainaka. So Mama I got you could not change for cause. So and I think a brother saw which boy battle. A brother saw so I got you come up and just go out.
Ndewo. Dalo. Thank you so much. Ndewo. So my people, please call in, sing or you pray for our government, pray for our independence, and you can sing also 2 minutes, my people. The link is also on the comment section. You can tap that link and come into the studio if you want. Okay. So when you call in, please 2 minutes for our people that is going to work and all the rest of that. So please just call in, sing or you pray for our government and also for our independence. Okay. So as we wait for callers, let me see whether somebody called while before I play this jingle. Okay, so let us play this jingle as we wait for our callers to join. Let us play this jingle. Please continue to like this program. If you know you have not liked, please like. Wherever you are watching from, please like this stream. Share this program for us. And anywhere you are watching from, make sure you subscribe. If you are new in that platform, please subscribe and turn your notification bell. Okay, my people? So just continue to like and share and subscribe. And day one. So let us play this jingle as we wait for callers. Okay, so we go. Yeah, we'll play this jingle. Our independent jingle.
Hey! 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 Orango! Hey! 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 Oro independence yo! Hey! 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 Nwa ha mụrụ na Latin Finland na 29th of November 2024 agbaala otu afọ o. Koi 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 onye nọrọ ya kọrọ ibe ya o. The United States of Biafra na ndị na-achị ha na-akpọ ụmụ Biafra niile ebe ọbụla anyị nọ na mpaghara ụwa niile ka anyị gbakọ ọnụ wee kelee Chukwu okike abịaọma n'ihe o mere anyị o. Na nwa ahụ a mụrụ ya bụ independence anyị ahụ nke a sị na ọ gaghị enwe isi na ọ bịala n'aka anyị ka ọ nọ ọ gbaala n'otu afọ n'agbanyeghị mgba niile ndị iro gbara ya n'agbanyeghị aha niile ndị iro kpọrọ ya n'agbanyeghị ikpe ọjọọ ndị iro kpere n'isi onye prezidenti anyị bụ Maazị Nnamdi Ukwu Kanu n'agbanyeghị ịsụ imi ndị ọjọọ nọ n'etiti anyị chere na ha bụ ụmụnne anyị suru awa Prime Minister Ọbata Obie mma ejiri gbuo agụ ndị iro si na ọ dịghị nkọ Chineke wee were Mama Biafra Dr. Ngozi Orabueze wee menye ha niile ihere Chineke ahụ nke mere ka anyị kwudosi ike wee ruo n'ụbọchị taa ka anyị na-abịa ikele na 29th of November 2025 inye ya ekele n'ihi ihe o mere anyị na o nyere anyị freedom anyị n'aka wee sị ụmụnne m bịanụ ka anyị gbara n'Chukwu okike abịaọma egwu freedom has come freedom is here freedom has come our freedom is here freedom USB is free at last USB freedom has come our freedom has come our freedom is here our freedom we got our freedom we freedom has come freedom is here freedom has come freedom is here hey 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 I will no wrong hey 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 ọkwa n'ọrụ independence yo hey hey ihe ha sị na ọ ga-eme emeela n'ala ndị dị ndụ gbakọta na ụmụnne m ka anyị kelee Chineke stand up for the champion stand up wait stand up wait for the champion stand up.
Wow, this is awesome. Hello yeah ndewo
Ada Simon Chukwu gozie
ise gozikwa gị
okay oluma na-apụta
ọfụma go ahead
okay achọrọ m ịgụ egwu ngụchazie ka mbekwa ekpere
go ahead
okay onye ọbụla jere Finland achọ USB arụkọbụrụ ya ọ kakwa mma na ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onye ọbụla jere Finland si ya chọọ USB, arụkọbụrụ ya ọ kakwa mma na ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Fema nọ dịka dị ntajere nta ejighị egbe ya, oge agụ chụrụ ya ọsọ, onwe nọrọ ọdị ndụ ọnwụ ka mma. Onye ọbụla jere Finland si ọ chọghị USB, arụkọ ọ bụrụ ya ọ kakwa mma na ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onye ọbụla jere Finland na-ekwu ihe ọzọ ugbu a, arụkọ ọ bụrụ ya ọ kakwa mma na ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Kwaranụ mmadụ ada itibọrịbọ, onye ọbụla jere Finland si na ọ chọghị USB, arụkọ ọ bụrụ ya ọ kakwa mma na ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onye ọbụla jere Finland sọrọ ọchọhụ 1 year anniversary, ọrụ ka ọ bụrụ ya ọ kakwa mma na ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onye ọbụla jere Finland pụta na-ekwu ihe ọzọ kakwa mma na ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onye ọbụla jere Finland pụta ugbu a na-agbasaga ọ kakwa mma na ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Anyanwụ ga-emegide ha, elu ga-emegide ha, ala ga-emegide ha. Onye ọbụla jere Finland tinye aka n'akwụkwọ pụtazi ihe na-ekwu ihe ọzọ ọ kakwa mma na ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Otaku aha n'ọrụ my sister.
Wonderful.
Chukwu gọzie unu. Chukwu gọzie unu.
Gọzikwa gị.
Ana m asalute BPM agụ nwanyị. So jisie ike agwụna gị maka na ị nwere anointing. Ị nwere ike iche na ọ jos ka eme, mana Chineke aka Chukwu dị n'ahụ gị. So anointing dị n'ihe a na-eme. Ndị chere na ọ egwuregwu ọ ga-emeghara anya vam. Ndị jikwe n'ọbara ụmụafọ wee na-eti egwu, Chineke ga-apịa ha ụtarị. Ndị ọya akụju na ọya akụju ha okwu. Ndị ọya akụju ụkwụ n'aka, Chineke ga-akụju ụkwụ n'aka. Otu a ka ọ ga-esi mee. Ọnụ nwere ndị na-ehicha anya mmiri, Chineke
What's wrong with all this network today? Mangiwa.
Yes.
Okay, ndewo, imena. Ndewo.
Okay.
Chukwu gọzie gị, ndewo.
Okay, gọzie.
So, that jingle. The jingle is awesome. That jingle is awesome. So I hope you are getting ready, my people, on the 29th of this month. That is one Echi. From here. Echi. So that is on Saturday from my own side. So I'm no na ha akwado onwuchukwu okabia ma ọ ga-adị egwu, ọ ga-adị kpọkpọ. Ụbọchị akara aka. Oh my God, I can't wait. I can't wait, my people. Thank you, my people. Thank you, Biafrans. I hope you all are getting ready for this particular great event. Oga Diego. So let us play one more of this. We are going to stop and answer you. Ipo, we are going to stop. Na studio. Use the link I to enter, or you use this number to call. Okay, so let us play this. You know, we are celebrating. We are celebrating, my people. We are celebrating. So continue to like and share the program from anywhere you are watching from. Subscribe, notification, honoring this great event today. Thank you so much, my people. You all are awesome, wonderful people. Ndewono.
Let's go now call her out.
Ha chọọ ka ọ kpọọ dị egwu.
She will bounce back. At least
Yeah.
you be Kai and Zedos on the other room.
We're not the other room. I never.
We're
now. I ain't gonna celebrate. Am I gonna if I play if I now roll to kind of know equal than the buy goes with it.
Yes.
The book was it? And that's why maybe you are the one that kick yourself out, so maybe you can just come back and kick yourself in again.
We must continue. People need to understand the importance of what we are doing, how important it is. This is our first ever national holiday of celebration of the declaration of UNC. So we must understand how important it is and things the world are looking for. So let us join government and make it right. It's evidence and prove how powerful political government child from academia now. So I want to be don't care. This is our first ever celebration of 1 year. Because not very important. But very important. It is very important.
And that someone is back. But I think her network is not. Or is it from my own? Can you guys hear me?
It's resistance and
Yes, we can hear you. Bro Kai, we can hear you.
Okay.
Bro Kai, you can hear. We can hear you. Can you not hear me?
Yeah, your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, breaking.
I can
like
hear you.
I
can hear you.
Okay.
Uncle Jerry,
Okay.
I see you.
So my people, okay. So my people, please continue to share this program, continue to like and continue to subscribe from everywhere you are watching from. Please like this video for us, continue to share it, and then subscribe and turn your notification bell. Very, very important. When you when you subscribe without your notification, important that after subscribing you need to turn that notification bell. That will make you whenever we are on live program. Okay, so my people, thank you so much and continue to do that. May God bless all of you. Ndewono. Wow. shame on to all of them. Shame on all of them. Because we are going. Stop us. Nobody can stop us. Nobody can stop us. So my people, we are going to be rounding up for our people that is going to work tomorrow. People that is doing one thing or the other. We need to be rounding up. So I'll be calling on my brothers on the comment section in the studio with me today to greet Biafrans and give their final submission as we are coming to the end of this program. So we are calling on our brother Kai TV, Kai Report, Kai Report, our brother Kai Report. Please go ahead. We are calling on you right now. Go ahead and greet Biafrans and give them your final submission. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate each and every one of you today for honoring this great invitation. For being here today. It's not easy to gather all of us together like this because we are all family people with one problem here and there, with one activities here and there. But look at us today. We were able to make it. I'm very, very grateful to each and every one of you. I did not get the number of our brother Kelena on time. I would have also invite him, and also our sister Progress the Analyst. I did not get their number on time, so that is why I was not able to invite them. I think this is not the end. This is not the end of the road. As time goes on, since we have started in this form, we will be organizing such thing like this from time to time in order to come together like this. They say that the family that prays together, comes together, also prays together. So as we are gathering like this is not going to be the last time we are going to gather in this form. So by the grace of Chukwu Kabiama, we are going to be doing this in once in a while. We can go to anybody's platform. Okay, asina osita ademma obidoro na agbuo okuna aghọta. So ebe ọ na-emepego ụzọ etu a aga na-esikwa otu a na-aga, ọ gaghị end here. Okay, ụmụnne m, so onye ọbụla onye kwadoro mgbe o ji wee kwado, mee anyị invite, you are going to be there. Okay, mee anyị invite, you are going to be there. So otu a ka o si wee asị na agbakọta aka wee nye ọmụma mere ọgbọ ụfụfụ. So aka anyị were n'ofu obi na-aga. One love keep us together. Ịhụnanya nwe ihe karịrị ịhụnanya. Okay, so ọ dị mma onye a na-agba ebe, onye a na-agba ebe, onye a na-agba ebe. At least otu anyị nọkọtara ọnụ ya dị very, 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 very nice. I really appreciate all of you, and I can't thank all of you enough for coming up for today's program. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much. In fact, my heart is full of joy. My heart is full of joy because it's not easy. It's not easy at all to gather our people like this. It's not easy. So I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so glad to have all of you here today. So, Brokai, are we going to answer this person or want to go ahead? Brokai? Brokai, are you there?
Yes, I am here. I am here. Thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have to appreciate all of us that managed to squeeze our time to come together. It's not easy, like you said. Thank you so much. And
Brokai reporter, are you there?
Yeah, we are hearing me. He's coming out.
You cannot hear me.
Yes. Network was giving problem. Everybody said this was off. So I was asking you if we should allow this person to talk, or you want to give your submission, or should we allow this person that is calling to talk?
Let the person talk. Let the person talk.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So my people, continue to like and share from wherever you are watching from. Continue to like and share. Day one. Go ahead.
Yeah, ndewo Ada Simon Eba.
Ekenem ndewo.
Ya ndewo ya ama m na unu ana emechi odo akpọbụ ne mbi fa ka m nwere ohere a wee kene all the Genuine Biafrans, especially our Biafran medias ndị nọ na house today. Ana m ekene the Kai Report, na-ekene Biafran TV, na-ekene the Exodus, na-ekene Humble Lion. Now many of them ndị Abata nwụrụ. In fact, you guys are making us proud. Without you guys, so now this is history. Created the history. So I make na say I only Genuine Biafra na ekenu na skulu jisike. Na ihomu na lomu Biafra na nye we don't take it for granted. I na agbako ndị na-alụ anyị ọrụ n'oge awa. So anyị na-ekene unu, anyị jikwulo ka mgbe na-ekwulo oge a, anyị na-ekenekwa our USB government led by our great mother, Dr. Ngozi Arabeze. Ana m asị agụ nwaanyị na ịkwụ ya n'azụ, nya ya jisi ike n'ihe ọ na-eme, na ọrụ ọma ọbụla nwere ụgwọ. Ihe onye ọbụla na-eme n'ụwa ma nke ọma ma nke ọjọọ nwere ụgwọ. So ana m asị ọrụ ọma ọ na-alụrụ anyị ụmụ Biafra, nya jisi ike na Chineke kpọrọ ya oku n'ọrụ a, ama m mgbakọta ya azụ.
Ise.
O mezuru the Trinity, God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit. So ndị ma sị na agba mbọ atọ n'ogwe agba atọ n'ogwe bụrụ ogwe ka anyị pịala akụ. So na nke ikpeazụ a anyị ekwechigbolu.
That's so.
I na-ekenekwa the whole Biafrans, all the genuine ones, the USB, ndị kwadoro USB, sị ka anyị kwadosikwa enyi ike atụmatụ this celebration na-abịa on 29th. Na anyị niile ga-apụta we celebrate it because it comes once in a lifetime.
Yes.
In fact, we are lucky to be among those guys who are celebrating. This is our first independence. It's a history. We are creating history, but some people don't know what is happening. And those two are also supposed to, because many are called, but few are choosing.
Yes.
So I'm American, the Biafrans, the genuine ones, USB, Sky, what do you we can have? Who's the near many and we use the nearby knock. We all know Bahamba, and I always be here. So I know the right channel. Ukulo hela wane bela wa leader se bele ndi kanona now longer. I na sena wa leader na ọkụ agbere nwata n'aka anaghị elenarị na Chineke mere ọpụta njem a ga-ekwe ka ifele menye.
Ise.
And n'oge na-adịghị anya na aka ya agbaji aka kalịla aka ga-agbaji aka.
Ise.
So na ọ ga-apụta. Anyị nwere olileanya na ọ ga-apụta very soon.
Yes.
Ndị na-aṅụ ọṅụ, ndị na-amanye enu, mana ụmụ Chineke kwele na ọ ga-apụta. Ọ ga-apụtali because na ihe anyị ji aga okwukwe ka anyị ji aga. Okwu anyị siri ike na ọ ga-apụta.
Yes.
Anyị sụrụ otu ahụ nwa na-ekpekwara awa PM ekpekpere ọ bata obie the dragon itself. Anyị sị na ihe fọkwa n'otu agwụgwọ agwụ. Anyị na-enezi anya ọnwụ na ọ join anyị this year, ending of this year anyị na-aba. We know that early next year na ọ ga-join anyị iwu ka ọ bụ. Because na anyị afụgwu ya na edegwu ya ihe edere mmadụ dị ndụ ama mfiche nwe ihe Chukwu dere odegwu ya. So ana m ekene onye ọbụla na-asị na anyị na-enwe ọṅụ ka anyị na-enwe n'oge ugbu anyị na-enwe ọṅụ because na anyị ngwe mmeri, anyị enwetegwu ihe anyị na-achọ. So we must protect our mandate and guide it jealously. We are not backing down
at all.
One love, we move. Thank you.
That is so. Wow.
Yeah.
That is wonderful. Thank you so much for your comment. Dewo. Thank you so much. Greetings from here. Dewo. So, Namungwa,
okay, so I have to appreciate you and all of us that managed to squeeze our time to be here. It is not easy. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I want to use the opportunity to encourage us to make sure that we obey the sit at home that have been announced. That 29th of this month is sit at home. So let us just have that in mind, that you are not sitting at home because you are doing it for anybody. You understand? You have to understand the reason why that sit at home was announced. So please tell your friends and tell your family members, all of us here, those of us in the comment section, or if you are going to watch this video later, make sure you obey that. It is very, very, very important. Thank you, my sister, and I'm going to submit my mic here. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, my wonderful brother, Kai report. I really appreciate it. In fact, I did not know that our this is going to be successful like this. But as I hear Chineke dere no degia, so I really appreciate it. So my heart is full of joy. I'm very, very joyful right now. Thank you so much for honoring this invitation. And may God bless you and continue. Jisikwike, afọ deep. Jisike Nam. Jisike, greetings to your family. Ndewo.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ndewo. So we're calling bye. We're calling on you, our own brother, humble lion, Onyamoma Ingwa, Kele Biafrans, and give your final submission. Makande Nejoro, ka inwike round up.
Nne m Chukwu gozie gị for the time and the opportunity nyere anyị bịa makụọ zisa ozi a. Ana m asị chi mgbe agụ menye gị ogologo ndụ na arụ isi ike, were akụ na ụba chọọ gị mma, gozie ezinụlọ gị. Ka m na-ekene ndị niile ụmụ Biafra niile ndị pụtaranụ, ndị ga-ewere nke ihe ha nwere na-enye anyị. Enwere ndị nyega super chat. Asị m gọvanọ si wepụta Chukwuka bụ mee onye unu mmaji pụrụ mmaji, akpụ unu ọrịa akụ unu, a ga-eji ọba wee rịọ nri. Ndị ka enwere netwọk abịa na wọchị anyị, Chukwuka bịa ma ga na-arọpụtara unu, ọ ga-akụ unu, Chukwuka bịa ma ga-agba unu ume. Unu na-eme, unu ga-eri uru ya, and unu ga-adị ndụ wee rie uru ya. Enweghị ajọ mmadụ ga-stọpụ unu na-adị ndụ gị uru ihe afụfụ unu taga. Anụmanụ Chukwuka bịa ma ga-agba unu ume. Kwerenụ na United States of Biafra na ọwa ebe anyị nọ, edukuna ya na-ewe dịka ya 29 ya wụ Satọde, mgbe ọwụ unu fụrụ ihe niile emechana mzi unu ya nga mmadụ ṅụrụ iyi isi lekwu ya 29 Novemba 29 Novemba mgbe edikuna ya. So ebekwa mmadụ bịa gwa gị isi gị ka aga na ikwekwene were dawan aha 29 aha. So ana m asị kwerenụ na USB a ndịkwa ji ịsọpọtụ akaụntụ unu ma ebe ọ nọ, unu were ya na-eti ihe ọlọbụ unu na-asọpọtụ dị gọọmenti. Ihe ọbụla itinyere na gọọmenti a, mgbe ị ga-eri uru ya ga-abịa. Believe me, mgbe ị ga-eri uru ya ga-abịa. Mụ dị happy na otu mmụọ rọpụtara m si mee mma wụrụkwa nọmba 1. I believe mgbe m ga-erikwa uru ya, unu ya hụkwasị chai lekwe ihe agbọ niile ahụ m na-agba, lekwezi mgbe mbebe na-eri uru ya. Asị m Chineke nna ya okene ya odore m my prime minister ndụ ogologo ndụ na-arịọ n'isi ya, na-arịọkwa na isi prezidenti anyị maazị Nnamdi Kanu, Chukwuka abịa ma gbaa ya ume. Obodo ahụ ha kpọgara ya, ndị niile ihe ahụ ha bụ n'obi, ọ ga-aba faya. Ha amaghị ihe ha so ya ka m na-agbe. Ana masị Chukwuka abịa ma ya ogozi onye ọbụla ụmụ Biafra. Unu anụ ihe anyị jiri bịa, unu anụ ihe anyị celebrate ga ọwụ Independence Day anyị ka anyị nọ na-celebrate tiri ya oru Satọde. Asị m onye ọbụla Chukwu gbuo unu ume. Mụnwa ga-esi ụmụ di ya hia. Maazị Iri Biafra TV, Chukwu gozie gị n'ọrụ ọma gị gawa. Chukwu rọpụtara gị na Oceania Ugochukwu Ugo nọkọtara n'ọgụ onye iberibe vanụ egwu nwaanyị ịkpụ na-eme ka egwu ịfụnanụ Ugo na-eme ka egwu gụnwa bịaba nọchie anya ya. Ihe ha kwesịrị ime ha na-eme, gụnwa bịaba na-eme ya. Chukwu gozie gị maazị, Chukwu gozie gị, gozie onye ọbụla. Progress dị analyze, gozie Ekene nna ya ka m na-arịọ n'isi ndị kabinet anyị niile, famasi dị ya na ezi nne ezi nwaanyị. Si Chukwu gozie unu niile, gbuo unu ume ya ka m na-arịọ n'isi unu. Ụmụ Biafra ndewonu, ka emesịa na otu ọtọ ọha m n'ọnụ. Nne m Go ahead.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, Humble Lion. Thank you so much. Onyamuma, Onyamuma n'eziokwu. Thank you so much. Chukwuka ma goziere m gị mmaji kwuru mmaji, gozie ezinụlọ gị, gozie ọrụ aka gị, gozie onye ọbụla ị na-eme. Chineke gbaa gị ume n'ọrụ ị na-arụrụ ụmụ Biafra. Jisie ike, adakwala mba. Adakwala mba. Jisie ike.
Mme mistake, it's ga-eri isi m.
Ndewo. Thank you, and for honoring this invitation. I really appreciate you. Ọ dịghị easy. I need to gasịrị ma unu hapụgasịa program unu ga-eme, your individual programs unu wee esi mba ka unu wee bịa here. In short, unu amaha ka obi dị m. Also Chukwuma ka obi dị m. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Ndewo. And my
okay. Our own.
Ndewo. My regards to your family. Ndewo. Thank you so much. So our own brother, Real Biafra TV. Oh yeah, go ahead, Nnam. Thank you so much.
Yes, so Ada Simon, I don't know how to thank you because ndị banyị si n'okwu Igbo na ọ na-eme arịọ onye ụwa bọbere nke ya tinye n'ime. That is one thing. I thank you in a special way like in ụlọ ọbụla ihe ọbụla a na-eme ọ bụkwa na nwaanyị ya bịa ihe ahụ ebidokwa ime ya. Go and check very well. Enwe ndị eji ese elu ahịa. And ị ma na okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ama m ka ndị banyị si wee nọ fụ ka history. Now history is repeating. Ị na-amachagharị. Kedu nwaanyị ọzọ na America Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-agbago okwu ekele dị ha. American woman gole ka ha dịkwa pụtara okwu nwere onwe stand up to this day anyị nọ n'imi up to today. Agwaghị na mgbe nwaanyị si America na Biafra abịala. Now nwaanyị America Chineke ji we finish. God want to use them, to finish the job, and you are here making noise, doing yourself more harm than good. Men has tried so much. If you check the history of the Biafra movement, Chukwuemeka Odumegwu nwoke, Wazirike nwoke, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nwoke, Simon Ekpa nwoke. It's only first time a woman is coming in. And look at the changes. Go back to history when Germany, a woman was leading Germany. Go and check Germany then and Germany now. You will see that things are no longer the way it is. Because Biafra, we must understand when history is repeating, imagine history na amụma ahụ na-emezugo nwa n'isi. Ọkwa mbakas na ndị bozo ga-ekpere azụ. Ndị azụ ebutezi ụzọ. Nke nwa na okwu nwere onwe a kemgbe over 19 mgbe ka ị na-eclaim. Gịnị bụ achievement gị? O nwere na-ewutecha m karịcha mfu go 247 ka ọ na-akụ ere na-asụ go 247. Ịnọkwu ya Chiamaka jere adapụ lọkpute ere position ya ma ọ bata obi anyakwa gị single one mana ịnọkwu ya. Because ị na-achị ịgwa anyị na enyere gị ikwe anara. Ọ na capacity ga-eru ebe anwa a na-eje. Ọkwa ihe ya emenwu. So na ọpụ ịdapụ na ete abụ anyị mere gị. So ụmụ Biafra ihe anyị ga-ama bụ na history repeat ele. Ndị bụ ụzọ ga-ekpere azụ, ndị ikpeazụ eme gịnị ebute ụzọ ebe a ka anyị nọ right now.
Otu a.
So must go, must gị. First remain first. Anyị na-celebrate na 29. Ndị ọzọ na December 2nd. That is how to prove evidence of akwụkwọ ahụ agara. Anyị si otu sọba first n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ị mara onye first gbachari. Mfe abịa nwe second ọkụ ya. So and on the bra first ka na-agbakebe na class ha nwa na-esi everything a na-eme. Okwu otu a nke ọ dị n'ime one thing dị n'ime a na-eme. Otu a nke ọ dị n'ime 75 members of the cabinet member. Ịnọ ya one single person abụrụ COS. Ịnọ ya agwa na ya bụ surrogate. Ịnọ ya agwa ya n'ọgụ nwa protect the mandate. Ebe ka ị nọkwan. Now bụzi eche na asị n'ọgụ ụmụ nwoke lụsha ọgụ. Ụmụ nwaanyị nwere akụkọ. Kịta ọ bụzi nwata nwaanyị na-alụzi ọgụ. Ụmụ nwoke na-akụzi akụkọ.
Hello?
Pick the call, yeah.
Okay, hello? We are hearing you. Go ahead.
So when you were actually chetara ụmụnna ndị na-ekwu na-akpọ Ugo 247 ọ bụzi Ugo 247
ọkụkọ 247
ọkụkọ
247
osighi n'elu nri soro ọkụkọ na-eri nri oge ahụ resign fọlụọ deep fọlụọ side bazie CRC ọwụzụ ọkụkọ ka ọwụ enwesị ọwụzụ Ugo ọkụkọ 247. Thank you. God bless you.
Ndewo now.
Thank you so much for that. My prayer goes to my president, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ọ ga-adị ka ihe na esi adịakwa na-agwụ agwụ, esi adịrị agwụ.
Ise.
Maazị Nnamdi Kanu dị ka osisi nkwụ, ihe na arọ kwuru arọ osisi nkwụ ụnụ ya. Ịbịa n'oge udu mmiri oke osisi nkwụ na anị. Ịbịa n'oge ọkọchị osisi nkwụ ụnụ ya. Otu a ka ndụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu dị.
Ise.
Ndụ ya dị ka eke, dịka ori, dịka atọ, dịka nkwọ.
Ise.
Ndị be anyị na ntị aka dị egbu nwata kama o mee ya ọta ahụ. Afọ a na-atụ ya ma mgbu ya. Ihi na ya nwajiri ọnụ ya gwa anyị sị na onye ọbụla na-ekwu okwu nwere ụzọ ebe na-anọ o nwere ike ịnọ kara ụzọ ebe na-anọ dị ihe ahụ. Ọ bụrụ na ọ nọ ha na prison, ọ ga-anọ n'ime ili. Ọ bụrụ na ọ nọ n'ime ili, ọ ga-anọ exile. Ọ bụrụ na ọ nọ n'exile, ọ ga-anọ na prison. Ihe a bụ ụzọ ebe anọ onye ọbụla na-ekwu okwu na ya chọrọ nwere enwe ga-anọ ụzọ n'ime ihe ndị a na-aga nke anyị kwuru bụ na ọ ga-adị ndụ eselebeti ya na Biafra onwe ihe ga-eme ya mbọ niile ndị ebe ọbụla Maazị Kanu tiri isi ndị Janjaweed fụ ya ha gbabara isi ya dịka ọkọ na ha na-agboziri isi ala na-ekwu na nwoke adịghị mma ị na ebe a la onye a bụ onye ndu ka ọ bụ la onye isi na ọ bụla ekwesịghị ịbịa ebe abịa nọ ya o nwere ihe ha ga-eme ya ihi na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ Daniel n'ime olili ọdụm o nwekwa ihe ụmụ ọdụm niile a ga-eme ha gbara ọchụ ụja ha zuo ike a na-ekwu bụ na ndụ ya ga-adị ka ihe na-esi adịrị agwụ otu aka ọ dị n'aka my prime minister ma Simon Ekpa Njọkụ onye mere ka Biafra nwee ihu ọ bụ ozi Biafra nke soshal midia na-ezo ezo onye mere ka Biafra nwee ihu ahụ o nwere ka ewepụta ya n'ime ebe ahụ ọ nọ Finland na-ebe njirimara akwa ebe ha nọ right now ha na-ebe akwa mkpụrụ obi ha na-ajụ ihe ha mere mana ha na-esi the right way esi wepụta ya so Maazị Nnamdi nwa Simon Ekpa ọzọ ma wabata obiele ịgburu anyị sị na 5 years otu ahụ ndị nwa akwụkwọ si eje akwụkwọ graduate within 5 or 6 years wee pụta ọ bụọ ndị 19 mgbegede m ọ bụọ ndị nọbara mgbe a ji wee ma ọnwa ebe emere chiv wee ọ bụrụ ya ka anyị na-ekwu okwu ya bụ lekwa obi jiri anyị lee buutu ya gịnị bụ buutu ụmụ Biafra ọkwa United States of Biafra re-declared seeking for recognition bụ obi jiri anyị buutu anyị ọ bụ gịnị our declaration seeking for what recognition of Biafra anyị na-ekwu so ụmụ Biafra ndụ ha niile ga-adị our deputy president Ngozi Orabaeze mmiri na-amụ ugo arọ ka ọ na-asị ya Ngozi Orabaeze ekwa gị na Chukwu Okaba mana ị ga-abịa ịdịla ka ehi na-echi aha dị ọkwa agwụ ịkpala nwaanyị ebe na nwaanyị ịgbara ngada bichie ebe di gị bichie ebe nna gị ma ọ bụ na ọkwa ihe omume ibichiele n'ochie ekwuru m na ihe ịba abụ ha na ihe na-akpọ gị egbosoro n'oge gị nwa ka eji gbabido ụmụ Biafra ndị nọ n'eziokwu ka agụ bụ ndị agbata nwegara ịdọpụ anyị n'ebe ihe a na-eme so a sị m na ndụ gị ga-adị ka echi ị ga-adị ndụ na Eke ị ga-adị n'Orie ị ga-adị na Afịa ga-adị na Nkwọ n'okwu Igbo ị ga na-ama mmiri na-ama anwụ mgbe ọ na-adịghị egbu nwata kama o mee ya ọta ahụ mgbe onye nwụrụ ọlụ ọgwụ nke nwatara ahụ ede ahụ ọzọ ma ọ na-eme ka mkpọmkpọ ọnụ nke a na Ngozi Orabaeze na-eme ya ka ọ gbasikwa ike mana na ya nwere ndị iro ndị na-ejije ọkụ iwee prepa kwuo more than ọhịa nke ị na-eme so ụmụ Biafra ọ ga-adị nchekwa na mma n'otu n'otu ọ ga-adị gọọmenti Biafra na mma a ga-akwa ka ụzọ emeghe ụzọ ahụ bụ na agaghị recognition nke anyị na-achọ wee na-agwa ndị Biafra amị nọ na homeland sie n'ike ka ọ na-afụfụ ka ọ na-ebi n'okwu Igbo ka ọ na-ehi aka ọ na-ebi si onye ọbụla jisiri ihe anyị na-eme ihe na agbalịba akwụkwọ ajọ dịka ịkwụ ajọ dị izi onwe m so ụmụ Biafra ka Ngozi Chukwu Okabịa mekwasị ebe nchere n'okwu ka anyị dịrị ndụ were ebe n'ala Biafra land ka anyị dị ndụ wee si ebe anyị nọ wee lata wee mezie obodo anyị ihe a na-agbara mbịa ọ bụ gịnị ọkwana ka ndụ anyị dị and na ndụ anyị ahụ ga-ada Chukwu Okabịa ma ise my message to Biafra this evening bụ ka ịghọta the importance of national holiday celebration, the declaration of a new country that lacks recognition. N'ihe na-ekwu okwu ya bụ na-edeclare Biafra o. N'ihe na-achọ bụ ka mba si anyị na abụ na country. Ọ ka ndị Igbo si wee dị here under the law the first national holiday celebrating the declaration of a new country that lacks international recognition is a crucial important to the international community because it provides tangible evidence of the de facto stakehold and the service as a powerful political movement of the people. It must, when the new entity force their international community to acknowledge its existence and the reality of its claim sovereignty, regardless of there is no recognition under stakehold of Montevideo Convention, Chapter 5, Article 10. It must observe his first holiday to prove an existing country. This is what the government you are looking for is doing. That is what the government is asking you. Please sit at home on 29th to do what? Can do where acknowledged new effective government.